ang mga taga-Viga matapos ang ipikitang laban. Sa mga susunod nilang tapatan, magpapatuloy ba ang pagdomina ng mga taga-Viga? O makakabawi na ang mga taga San Andres? Alin ba ang mananaig? Ang Texon Connection o ang atake ng mga Ubalde? Sino ba ang mas magpipida? Ang liderato ni Tikboy del Rosario o ang lakas ni Eugene Malyapre? Rebansa sa Isla, The Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes Championship Series.
Catanduanes, are you ready? Are you ready to witness another basketball classic inside the Virac Sports Complex? As you are going to see your idols battle once more in the Rebansa sa Isla Best of 3 Championship game of Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes. Who among these teams will prevail or dominate to prove once more that they are the best in the happy island of Catanduanes? Will friendship matter over a championship title? Who knows? But one thing is for sure, this will be a bloody battle. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Brace yourselves, as the first team that will walk inside the court is composed of hungry individuals, a team that synchronized their skills over their attitude. Everyone, make some noise for your Team Viga! Let's start it up with a former varsity of Amado Cope College, Green Serpent from San Jose Viga, Catanduanes, wearing jersey number 2, John Cedric Tulo! A former Viga Paray Festival Cup Mayor's Cup champion from Viga, Catanduanes, number 4, Ellison Pamplona! A Palarong Bicol player and a former Catanduanes State University varsity player from Ananong Viga, Catanduanes, wearing jersey number 7, Luis Cervantes! A player who played in NBTC Intern High School from San Vicente, Viga, Catanduanes, number 12, Mark Ronald Panglao! A former 3x3 player of SCO Catanduanes and a finals MVP of VRTHS secondary team from Viga, Catanduanes, jersey number 27, Aaron Lee Osero! A former national squad player from Viga, Virac Catanduanes, wearing jersey number 32, Neil Tabana. A former intermunicipality player from Viga Catanduanes, jersey number 24, Charlie Timao. A former Palarong Bicol 3x3 bronze medalist from Calatagan, Virac Catanduanes, number 10, Jerome Okoy! A former national squad player and NPTC regional champion from Calatagan, Vira, Catanduanes, number 9, Neil Okoy! A former Amado Cope College Green Serpents varsity from San Jose, Viga, Catanduanes, number 8, Tristan Ubalde! A former Acobigo Cup Mythical 5 player under Team Legazpi from Picale Legazpi Albay, number 14, Lloyd Jefferson Barbie! A player who played Acobigo Cup in almost every province and hailed as Acobigo Cup Best Import under the team Sangay from De La Paz, Talaga Albay, number 17, Eugene Malapre. Last but not the least, a former Palarong Bansa Pumansa player and a varsity of Amado Cope College Green Serpent who hailed as multiple MVPs from San Jose, Viga, Catanduanes, none other than number 13, James Carl Obalde! Together with their team managers of Viga, are Mayor Emetrio Tarin and Councilor Patrick Ian T. Aquino. Assistant coaches are Abraham Utan, Rene Romero, Rodel Templanuevo, Darwin Olesco, and Ronaldo Brizo. Head coach, Sean Molina. This Ribanza Saisa Championship game is nothing without another strong contender for the title, as the next team in line consists of brothers connection with a legendary standout player coming from the depths of the sea who dreamed of bringing the trophy to his home province. They came from the bottom and now they reach the top. Revenge is inevitable, but their goal is to make their opponent suffer. For the final team, everybody, let's make some noise for Team San Andres! First and wide, a shooting guard from San Andres, wearing jersey number 9, Ryan Salvador! A former regional squad champion under the team Legazpi City from Bagamanok, Catanduanes, number 6, Earl Andrea! A former Palarong Bicol player from San Andres, Catanduanes, number 8, Ryan Talia! A former varsity of Catanduanes State University and hailed as finals MVP of BSC Bagamanok Basketball League from San Rafael, Bagamanok, wearing jersey number 15, Mark Eric Cabrera! A former champion and finals MVP of San Andres Mayor's Cup from Batong Paluay, San Andres, Catanduanes, number 23, Roldan Tagle! A former Palarong Pamansa and regional squad player under team of Catanduanes State University from Esperanza, San Andres, Catanduanes, number 22, Alvin Valesa! a former regional player of Philippine National Police, PRO5, Kasurug team from San Andres, Catanduanes, number 11, Rudy Clopino Jr. A former Palarong Bicol and Palarong Pabasa player from San Andres, Catanduanes, wearing jersey number 18, Raymond Osorio. A former Palarong Bicol and Nashua squad player from San Miguel, Catanduanes, number 3, Albert Dixon. A former 3x3 provincial meet champion who also played national squad in Tarlac from San Miguel, Catanduanes, wearing jersey number 2, Alvin Dixon. A former varsity player of the NCF Tigers who was hailed first runner-up under the team's Naga Casireños of Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur from Camiling, Tarlac, wearing jersey number 91, Julius Divorcio. And last but not the least, he was a former varsity player of Amado Cope College Grey Serpents who was recently drafted in PBA and other commercial basketball league. He also played Ako Bicol Cup Albay and Camarines Norte under the team Legazpi and Santa Elena from Salvacion, San Andres, Catanduanes. Let's all welcome number 16, Big Boy Aquaman de Rosario. Together with our team manager, Boboy Tanate Albañel, coaching staff, Espiri John Santelices III, Ian Tacorda, Osito Manlangit, together with their head coach, Luis Santelices Magdo. Alright mga Katandunganons, let me just say, let's get ready to rumble! Alright, so maybe request everyone to please all stand up for the singing of the national anthem together with the invocation.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiging helas ng sinakalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuyagan ng magiting, sa kanlulupin, di ka pasisikin, sa nagatang tugong sa
At meron pang kasamang foul. Del Rosario will try and will hit. It will be Team Biga who will win the first ever Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes game.
Simulan na ang laro, palakasin tuhod at braso, bilisan ang takbo, huwag na huwag susuko. Alis lang madapa, basta tayo agad, tuloy lang, sige lang. Mabuin ang pangarap, ipasang bola ng pag-asa, kasama tropa at barkada, masarap ang panalo. Pagsama-sama tayo, kaya tara na, game na. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, ito ay atin. Oh, 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 oh.
Basta't mulis ng Bicolano, kahit saan mo idayo, nag-uumapaw ang kinaming talento, objeto, manalo at magsaya. Kasama pa ang astig na tropa, papakita buong pero sa lahat kami ay sama-sama, tagatak ng paus. Di namin alintaya masasaktan, maganda pa pangako ay tatayo. Walang uuwi na, nakayuko, lamat na ikatay, sa bolang binigay, hindi na naging batang pasaway. Dahil sa larong ito, pangarap sinimulan ako, Bicol Cup. Di ka aatrasan sa masikulan, maraming natutunan, pagkakaibigan, disiplina ang gabay, sa hamon ng court, puso'y naging matibay, lakas at galing lahat ibinigay. Terminado puro bless, huwag lang sumablay, simula pa ang kabata, basketball na ang laro, kahit na minsan, wala namang trofeo, salamat na kilala, dilama ko ang snow, malinis na laro, binigay sa publiko, paglabas sa court, pwedeng maging amigo, walang tatalo sa disiplinado, lahat kami ay sumasaludo, siya ako, ikaw, tayo ay Bicolano dito pa lang, panalo na tayo, isigaw natin, ako Bicol, isigaw natin, ako Bicol.
Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, ito ay atin. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Magandang gabi basketball fans, magandang gabi Bicolandia. Ito pa rin ang iyong paboritong liga dito sa Bicol Region, ang Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes. Siyempre hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na, kasarog pa. What a day to start sa ating unang laro ng ating Rebansa sa Isla Championship Game between Team Viga kontra sa koponan ng Team San Andres. Kung mapapansin mo, Coach, punong-puno na ang ating venue dito sa loob ng Virac Sports Complex to witness the historic game between these two teams. We've seen these two teams fought each other sa ating opening game and nanalo doon ng Viga on the first blood, but that made them sa ating top ng ating liga. Sa pangunguna ni Coach Sean Molina, pinakitaan tayo ng paano dinomina ng Team Viga ang ating elimination round papunta sa ating semifinals hanggang makapunta dito sa championship round. And abangan natin kung makikita pa ulit natin ang atake ng high scoring guard na si James Carl Ubalde or papahirapan sila ng Team San Andres sa ating Isla Rebansa Championship Game. And sa sinasabi ko nga lagi, Coach, na talagang hindi tayo maging kampante dahil kalaban nila ang San Andres sa pamumuno ni Coach Louie Magno na nagpamalas ng kanilang galing sa pagtalo nila sa Team Virac sa ating do or die semifinals game sa nakaraang laro. And syempre, hindi natin pwedeng underestimate ang kanilang laro during the elimination round after that loss. And after that loss, talagang naging motivation na tuloy-tuloy na ang panalo papunta dito sa ating championship series. Ika nga, kahit slow pace ang pinakita ng Team San Andres, sabi nga, accuracy is the key to victory. Kaya tingnan natin kung si Tikboy del Rosario ay maghahari sa ating championship series or mananalo ang Team Viga sa ating finals. And sa ating game 1, malamang magkaganap ang ating opening game. Alam na nila ang kanilang mga flaws at ang kanilang mga pagkakamali. So talagang walang kapaang magaganap dito sa unang laro. And bago tayo pumunta sa ating laro, puntahan muna natin ang ating third member of the panel kasama ang ating mga courtside reporters. Ladies, magandang gabi, take it away.
Magandang gabi mga kasurog. We are going to be your Ako Bicol Cup courtside reporters for Game 1 ng ating Rebansa sa Isla Championship Game between Team Viga and San Andres. My name is Mabel Atsugoyan and together with me is Andrea Chan and Regine Bue.
But before that mga kasurog, live view rin kaming mapapanood sa aming Facebook pages at Rep Saldico page ng Ako Bicol Party List at Ako Bicol Online TV.
You can also support us by subscribing and following on our YouTube and TikTok account at Ako Bicol Cup for more updates. Ayan muna ang latest dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo Coach John at Coach Paul.
Maraming salamat, ladies. And para naman sa ating game story sa Rebansa sa Isla Championship Game, ang pinagbatang championship over friendship. Alam naman natin, Coach, ang kwento ng dalawang kupunang ito, especially ang kanilang kasurug players like Eugene Malyapre at Tikboy del Rosario, na dating magkakampi sa Ako Bicol Cup, Albay Leg, and even Camarines Norte, na ngayon ay magtutuos sa championship game dito sa Isla ng Catanduanes. And we know how strong these two individuals are. At kung mapapansin mo, Coach, these two guys are on a mission, and especially si Eugene Malyapre wants to prove that he can be the best in every provincial region, and while Tikboy del Rosario naman wants to bring home the pride and glory to his hometown, which is a Team San Andres. Kaya hindi na ako magtataka kung ang labang ito ngayong gabi ay magiging memorable, and kaya there is no friendship in this championship dahil meron tayong rivalry na namumuo with the likes of Tikboy del Rosario and Eugene Malyapre. And napakagandang game story, partner, and alam naman natin they have to step up in order for them to win this illustrious Game 1 Championship Series. Pero bago magkalimutan, partner, pumunta tayo sa ating laro. Magpakilala muna, partner. Ako nga pala si Wadi John Bachiller at your service, kasama si Coach Paul Sepe, bringing you this classic Game 1 dito sa Isla, San Andres versus Viga. Good evening, Coach.
Good evening, partner, and good evening po sa lahat ng mga manonood natin all over Bicol. Hindi lang dito, partner, sa Bicol, buong Pilipinas, at even sa mga kapamilya nitong mga players sa ibang bansa at sa mga nanonood sa atin sa ibang bansa. Good evening to all of you.
Grabe, partner, yung reception ng tao. Kung makikita nyo talagang, pati dito sa kinatatayo namin, talagang mainit na dahil punong-puno at inaabangan nila ang labanang San Andres versus Viga. And partner, may tanong ako sa iyo, partner. Sa tingin mo, partner, ano ang kailangan gawin ng Team Viga in order for them to snatch their first victory sa ating dito opening championship game?
Yes, partner, sabi nga natin, talagang very exciting itong larong ito, partner. But for Team Viga to dominate this game, partner, I have 3 points, partner. First, a good team effort like their last game. yung last outing nila against this San Andres team, maganda yung pinakita nila doon as a team. And also second, capitalize their two bigs. Sinabi kong two bigs, ito si Eugene Malyapre and itong si Lloyd Borbe. Kasi on the past games, malaki at maganda ang mga contributions nito sa team ng Viga. And of course, number 3 is maintain their composure. If they're composed, if they are with a good leadership with Ubalde, and of course maganda yung pinapakita nila, malaki ang tsansa nila dito sa larong ito. But again, sabi nga natin, mayroong addition itong Team San Andres. Dun sa kabila naman, in the likes of Julius Tiburcio. And of course, maganda ang pinapakita ni Tikboy and also the other players in the likes of Tagle and Salvador. So, ito partner talaga ang magiging basihan natin, or ito ang titingnan natin dito sa game na ito. If who will win, sabi nga natin, bilog ang bola, hindi natin alam, pero ngayon pa lang, good luck to those teams.
Yes, that's a good observation, Coach. If these two teams want to win, kailangan nila ibigay ang kanilang 101% in order for them to win this first ever Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes. And syempre, bago naman tayo, puntahan natin, Walter, ang kasurog matchups ngayong gabi. We'll be having Malyapre for Viga and Tikboy del Rosario for Team San Andres.
Yes, partner, sabi ko this is a different animal for possession, partner, no? Si Tikboy del Rosario on the point possession, ito si Malyapre on the big possession. But this is the kasurog matchup for the evening. As you can see, the 2-point average, medyo dikit lang yan, partner. And of course, syempre, nasa ilalim, more maganda pinapakita ni Eugene Malyapre. Pero ang titignan ko talaga dito, partner, is itong assist department. Kasi dito, nangunguna si Tikboy del Rosario with, I think that's 7 assists per game. And ito naman, ang medyo magiging lakas naman dito ni Malyapre ay sa ilalim. Those rebounds, almost 11 rebounds per game, partner. So yan ang titingnan natin. But look at those points, partner, talagang pinapakita. Eugene Malyapre with 13 points per game on the average, partner. And also sa kabila naman, si Tikboy del Rosario, look at that numbers, 21.1 points per game on the average. So titingnan natin kung sino nga ba ang talagang magdo-dominate dito sa larong ito.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Pakaabangan natin kung sino ang magiging magandang performance sa ating Game 1 ng Championship Series. At ayan ang stats ng kanilang kasurog players. Pero right now, puntahan naman natin, partner, ang ating courtside reporter na si Miss Mabel para sa kapanayami ng dalawang kasurog best players. Miss Mabel, take it away.
Good evening again, mga kasurog. Kasama ko nga ngayong gabi ang dalawang kasurog player ng Team Viga at Team San Andres na sina Eugene Malyapre at Tikboy del Rosario. Ang tanong ko sa inyong dalawa, from former teammates at ngayon magkalaban sa championship game, anong pakiramdam na magtatapat kayo ulit dito sa ating championship? Unahin muna kita, Eugene.
Siyempre po masaya kasi yung first game kami yung unang naglaban. Bale, masaya ako ngayon kasi kami ulit yung maglalaban ngayon championship.
How about you, Tikboy?
Masaya kasi yun nga, from Legazpi to Cam Norte magkasama kami. So parang talagang hindi kami nakapasok ng final. So ngayon nakapasok kami pero magkalaban naman. So magiging masaya to.
Huling tanong sa inyong dalawa, magkaibigan pa rin ba kayo after this game?
Siyempre naman po.
So, wala namang mawawala doon. Laro lang to eh.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa and good luck sa inyong game. Ayan na muna ang latest update dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Coach John and Coach Paul.
Yes, maraming salamat, Miss Mabel. And pag-usapan naman natin, partner, ang Clash of Brothers matchups ng Team Viga and San Andres. Unahin na natin, partner, ang Ubalde Brothers ng Team Viga.
Yes, partner. So this Ubalde Brothers, partner, talaga malaki ang contribution dito sa team ng Viga, partner. Look at those numbers. Ito, si James Carl Ubalde with a whopping 26 points per game, partner, on the average. At ito naman kapatid niya with 12.2 points per game on the average. Partner, ito, dalawa talaga. Pag inopenan mo to sa 3 points, talagang kakamada din itong dalawa ito. Look at that average on the 3-point and also the 2-point average. So malaki ang contribution nito sa Team Viga ng dalawang magkapatid nito.
Yes, pakaabangan natin itong Ubalde Brothers. And sa sunod naman, ang Tixon Brothers ng Team San Andres.
Yes, partner. So sa kabila naman, if you have Ubalde Brothers, sa kabila meron tayong Tixon Brothers and the likes of Alvin Tixon and Albert Tixon. Those numbers talaga hindi mo matatawaran din dito sa dalawang magkapatid na ito for Team San Andres. For Albert Tixon, 17 points average points per game, and also kay Alvin, 7 points average per game. But ang titingnan ko dito, itong rebounding partner na inibibigay ni Albert Tixon, and yung hustle naman on the other side nito ng kapatid niya na si Alvin Tixon, partner.
And yes, pakaabangan natin kung sino dito sa dalawang magkapatid ang uungos at makakapahuwi ng ating Game 1 dito sa Championship Series. At para naman sa ating team stats ng kupunan ng undefeated powerhouse Team Viga kontra sa Kryptonite ng San Andres. Ito ang kanilang naging team stats in their previous games.
Sabi ko nga partner, talagang very almost identical itong mga itong dalawang teams na ito, kaya sila umabot dito sa finals natin. So kung makikita nyo, for the 2-point and 3-point average, magkakalapit lang po yan, no? As you can see on your screen. But ang titingnan ko partner dito, itong assist department, na lamang medyo ang San Andres kasi yun nga, sabi nga natin lamang kasi nandyan si Tikboy De Rosario with the distribution. So maganda ang assist department nila. And of course, sa kabila naman, ang titingnan ko naman itong rebounds na medyo lamang itong mga taga-Viga because of the likes of Eugene Malyapre and Lloyd Borbe. But ito partner, dito medyo magkakatalo. Those turnovers partner, San Andres is giving the ball 12 times in the average per game. Ito naman sa kabila, itong Team Viga, 9 yung turnovers nila on the average per game. Dito magkakatalo partner sa department na ito, assist, rebound, and turnover. So sino ang magkakapitalize? Sila ang posibleng manalo dito sa ating first game.
So ayan ang ating naging overall team stats ng dalawang kupunan na maghaharap sa ating Game 1 ng Isla Rebansan Championship. And partner, tanongin kita ulit, who will win the Game 1? Is it the powerhouse undefeated Viga or itong San Andres led by Tikboy De Rosario and Julius Tiburcio? And what's your thought, partner?
Yun naman, partner. Yan na naman yung tanong na yan. Pero hindi ko alam sa ating mga manonood. Pero if you will, sabi nga natin, bilog ang bola. But I will go with Team Viga. Kasi dun sa pinakita nilang impressive wins, coming into the elimination, going to the semifinals and to this finals, titingnan ko dito ay yung Viga, partner. Kasi maganda ang pinapakita nitong team na ito. I don't know with you, partner.
Sige, partner. I'll go for Team San Andres. So wag na natin patagalin pa. Puntahan na natin ang ating arena announcer na si Sir JV Salvidar sa ating Game 1. JV, take it away!
This is your day 13 of your Ako Bicol Cup Katanduanes. Brought to you by Congressman Salico and Ako Bicol Partners. We welcome you everyone inside of the Rock Sports Complex for our Game 1 of our Rebansa sa Isa Championship Game Massive Series. Katanduanes makes some noise for Team Viga versus Team San Andres. And for the first fight of Team Viga, representing the Ray Boy Car, Tristan Opante. Running jersey number 9, shooting hard, Hilo Clyde. Running jersey number 13, small forward, James Opante. Running jersey number 14, power forward, Lloyd Jefferson Porter. And wearing jersey number 17, center, Eugene Malyapre. And coach for Team Viga, Mr. Sean Molina. And for the Saturns of Team San Andres, wearing jersey number 2, point guard, Alfred Dixon. Wearing jersey number 3, shooting guard, Alfred Dixon. Wearing jersey number 16, small forward, Tikboy De Rosario. Wearing jersey number 23, power forward, Ronald Tatley. And wearing jersey number 91, center, Julius Tiburcio. And coach for Team San Andres, Mr. Louis Magno. And for the officials for the smoking, preaching, Evan Paron, upper 1, Evan Paron, and upper 2, Ronnie Marinisa. This is your Ako Bicol Cup Katanduanes.
Yes, magandang gabi. What a good size crowd, partner.
Grabe, partner.
Game 1 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes Finals. Viga versus San Andres. And grabe, partner, yung reception ng tao during our opening. Talagang nakakataba ng puso ang nangyaring opening. And right now, San Andres versus Viga sa ating Game 1. ng ating Best of 3 Championship Series.
Kapit po mga taga-Catanduanes dito sa ating Game 1.
Yes, ayan na. First possession. Nakakuha naman ang red shirt. Tikboy with a pass. Gives the ball to Tikson. Tiburcio, short jumper. In and out. Malyapre with the board. Grabe, partner.
Grabe, sinusukat kagad dito ni Julius sa Tiburcio itong mid-range natin, partner. So this is a very vital yung point niya dito, partner. Bagong addition. Naglaro lang ito nung kanilang semifinals and now dito sa finals.
Yan na si Borbe. Block by Tiburcio. Pero si Borbe, this is the second shot. Yun na nga, partner. Yan na si Tikboy. Crosses the half-court line. Gives the ball to Tikson. Binigay sa kanilang kapatid. Tikson for 3. No good. Tiburcio with the tap. Nakuha ni Tagle ang bola. Tagle attacks the baseline. Gives the ball to Tiburcio. Kicks it out to Alvin for 3. No good. Borbe with the board.
Ayun, medyo may konting ano pa, partner.
Game 1 jitters,
Game
partner.
1 jitters. Pero tingnan natin itong gagawin itong mga taga-Viga on this possession.
Yes, I've noticed, partner, talagang man-to-man defense kagad na pinapakita. Pero si Borbe, all alone for 3, misses the shot. Tikboy grabs the second board. And meron tayong foul na tinawag dito kay number 9, kay Nilo Cry. His first personal foul. First team foul ng Viga.
So talaga, partner, kung makikita natin, napakaaga pa lang, napakaganda nitong depensahan nitong dalawang teams na ito, no? And now, itong Team Viga is 3-2 zone defense ngayon dito sa kanilang depensa.
Yan, I've noticed na si Alvin Tikson is right here sa ating venue kasi this is the first time na naglaro siya kasi during the do or die matchup, wala siya. Yan na si Tikboy is open for 3. Short, Tiburcio with the top again. And Tagle opening the scoring is for number 23 na si Tagle. Medyo nadulas doon si Eugene Malyapre, and I guess
I think meron tayong medyo wet doon sa floor sa kabila, partner, dito sa side ng San Andres,
yes,
partner.
I guess ito na yung talagang yung moisture ng court talaga dahil talagang mainit dito sa ating venue, partner, dahil punong-puno. And
well, pansinin ko lang, partner, as early as 3 p.m. nandito na po yung mga taga-Catanduanes naghihintay para dito sa first game nitong championship.
Yes, yun na nga, partner, dahil talagang during papasok tayo ng ating venue, maraming players and also maraming mga fans ang lumalapit sa atin na talagang they are very thankful dito sa ligang dinala ni siyempre ni Congressman Saldico at ng Bicol Party List dahil daw sa ganda at sa pag-aarugang binigay sa mga players, partner.
Yes, partner. So, gayon na naman talaga, partner. Ito talagang ako, Bicol Cup is talagang para sa mga Bicolanos. Hindi lang, partner, sa mga Bicolanos kasi ang daming players coming over to be a guest player dito sa ating liga. So, again po, maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta for ako, Bicol Cup.
Yes, yun na nga. Maraming salamat. And I hope Eugene Malyapre is okay dahil nga nadulas dahil meron tayong spot na basa dito sa ilalim ng ating court. So, after ilang minutes ang nakaraan, the score is 2-0.
Yes,
after
partner,
that offensive rebound ng ating workhorse na si number 23 na si Tagle.
Yes, partner. And ito, pansinin ko lang, partner, ito si Tagle for team ng San Andres. Talagang this is a very steady din na power forward sa kanila. So, titingnan natin kung ano ang magiging contribution pa nito ni Tagle dito sa larong ito.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And talagang ayun na nga. Talagang hindi tayo mag-uumpisa dito hanggat hindi nagiging dahil sa safety ng ating mga players din kahit paano.
So, ayan. So, again po sa ating mga late tuners po, pinapapanood nyo ang the finals, the Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes finals. This is the game against Viga and San Andres. So ayan, partner, so talagang chine-check ng ating officials yung basa na nasa side nitong mga taga San Andres, partner. So medyo may konti kasing oil na talagang nag-spill. I don't know kung ano ang nangyari. But again, tututukan natin yan dito sa ating game. again, sa lahat po ng gusto pa manood, humihingi po kami ng pasensya kasi medyo may mga hindi nakapasok because of the size of the crowd. Medyo punong-puno na po itong Virac Sports Center dito sa Catanduanes. But again, yung mga hindi po nakapasok, mayroon po tayong malaking LED sa labas para mapanood nyo ang game pa rin and you can enjoy pa rin yung mga hindi nakapasok. So again, nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat ng suporta for Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes. So medyo natigil po tayo dito because of the sleepy floor dun sa and medyo nadulas nga itong si Eugene Malyapre on the way dun sa kanyang pag-inbound kanina. So i-check po natin yan para wala nang masaktang mga players pa.
Yes, alam naman natin talagang yung security ang ating inaabangan dito na di sila masaktan. And right now, nandyan yung hardworking men and women ng ating liga. Talagang patuloy na tumutulong para mapaganda. And we are back sa ating laro. The score is 2-0. And ayan na si Ubalde, high scoring guard against Tixon. Crosses over, Ubalde stops, fakes. What a shot, but misses. Tiburcio again, which is third board of the ball game.
Gandang galaw ng partner as early of first quarter. So dapat yan mga ganyang tira na maipasok ni James Ubalde dito sa ating game.
Yes, you can hear the oohs and the ahs dun sa galaw. Pero si Tixon wasting no time and makes a 3-point bomb. And right now, the score is 5-0 in favor San Andres. And may tawag ang ating, grabe naman partner, kung gaano ka-special ang ating liga dahil si Commissioner Eman Faraon is here in the building. Talagang pumito at nandito sa ating liga.
Yes, partner. And natawagan doon ng foul itong si Alvin Tixon because of that very aggressive defense na binibigay niya dito kay Tristan Ubalde.
Yes, right now talagang these Ubalde brothers are heavily guarded ng Tixon brothers. So pakaabangan natin si Borbe. What a pass kay Eugene but misses the shot. Tikboy, outlets.
Medyo na-deflect yung pasa doon ni Tikboy and good read on the part of Albert Tixon to steal that ball dito kay James Ubalde.
Ayan na si Albert, gives the ball to Tikboy, attacks, kicks it out to Tagle. Alvin with the ball, gives the ball to Tikboy, corner three, bang! And right now, an 8-0 run on the part of San Andres. This is not a good sign on Viga. Ayan na si Borbe, attacks, and he was called for a step, partner.
That's a traveling clearly at step for Borbe. This is an 8-0 run on the part of San Andres, partner, early on the first quarter. So maganda ang pinapakita na composure dito mga taga San Andres dito sa ating first game.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Maganda pinapakita ng Team San Andres. And right now, evenly ang scoring. But that corner 3 na binitawan ni Alvin Tixon and another corner 3 na binitawan ni Tikboy Del Rosario of a pick na galing sa kanilang mga teammates. And the score is 8-0.
Yes, partner. You know, partner, ito kasi medyo may ano to eh. Itong 3-2 defense sa pinapakita ngayon ng team ng Viga, partner. Medyo open na open itong corner shot, partner.
Yes.
So yun ang kinakapitalize itong mga taga San Andres. Kung makikita nyo po, those 3-point shot, yung dalawang 3-point shot na yun ay coming from the corner side.
Yes.
So yan po ang medyo magiging problema nitong 3-2 defense kung hindi sila mag-rotate ng mabuti dito sa larong ito.
And that open 3-point shot talaga walang challenge. So talagang that is a walk in the park pagdating dito sa mga 3-pointers ng Team San Andres. Ayan na si Tixon. Lobs it up to Tagle. What a pass, partner. And right now, 10-0 run on the part of San Andres. This is no joke, partner. Dahil
partner,
alam naman natin, ayan na Ubalde. And the possession will remain dito sa mga naka-sky blue. And with 6 minutes and 40 seconds, 10-0 lamang ang San Andres. Okray, heavily guarded by Tikboy. Okray humihingi ng pick kay Eugene. Okray gives the ball to Borbe with the fake. Borbe attacks, hangs. This is the shot, Eugene. And medyo madulas talaga doon, partner.
Yes, partner.
Sa ilalim ng ating mga goal, siguro I guess talaga yung moisture.
Yung moisture talaga, partner. Kasi kung makikita mo, partner, itong court natin is a wood court. Yung nasa labas kasi medyo concrete court yan.
Semento. So talagang sana naman walang mangyaring injury dito dahil alam naman natin this is a vital and crucial game 1 for these two teams. Tikboy signaling for play number 2. Tixon gives the ball to his brother. Looks at the clock. Swings. Ayan na naman. Albert Tixon is open. Misses Tikboy with a top pass. What a story miss sana. Borbe gives the ball to Okray. Okray with the spin. Nabitawan ang bola. Tikboy attack. What a no-look pass to Tiburcio. That could have been a highlight reel, partner, if Tiburcio made that layup. But then again, what a pass kay Tikboy.
Yes, partner. So again, that's a foul on the part of Lloyd Borbe. Medyo inabot doon yung kamay ni Julius Tiburcio. But again, the recognition of Tikboy de Rosario papunta dito sa kanyang big na si Julius Tiburcio, partner. Napakaganda. Sabi ko nga, this assist department na talagang tinitingnan ko pa kanina, partner, sa stat is talagang magiging vital dito sa larong ito.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And I've noticed Tiburcio is very aggressive as early as first quarter dahil nung do or die game nila, partner, sa isa sa ating mga writers sa si Iris talaga sinabi na may flu or may lagnat itong si Julius Tiburcio. Kaya pala talagang very matamlay during that do or die. But right now, Julius Tiburcio is imposing his will inside. Ayan na si Okray, guarded by Tikboy. Gives the ball to Borbe. Former teammates ito, partner, si Okray and si Borbe once played for Santo Domingo National High School Red Dragons. Tixon with the board, gives the ball to Tikboy. Tikboy passes to Tixon, short jumper.
Yun, partner, talaga kinakapitalize itong mga taga San Andres, partner. Yan, pati yung pass break na yan, partner. Medyo late pa nga yung pasa ni Tikboy doon, partner. So that's another foul, partner, on the part of Albert.
Yes, partner, talaga nagigigil siya.
Kasi sabi nga natin talagang papahirapan nitong mga Tixon brothers, itong Ubalde brothers dito, partner. So I don't know kung ano ang gagawin, kung ano ika-counter nitong mga Ubalde brothers, partner, dito sa larong ito.
And we all know talagang this James Carl Ubalde, once nag-init ito talagang he can shoot the lights out. And in any given day talaga makakahabol itong Team Viga.
But again, partner, medyo lumulobo na ito, partner. 13-0 dito sa ating first quarter. So tingnan natin kung sino ang mag-step up for Team Viga, partner, dito sa ating first quarter.
Yan na si Borbe. Eugene humingi sa post against Tiburcio. Eugene at the post, gives the ball to Borbe for 3. No good. Tikboy with the top. Yan na si Tiburcio. Rushing. And nabitawan ang bola. Good defense on the part of number 27 na si Aaron Ocero. Kakapasok lang and contributing to his team.
Yes, partner, but again, on the side of itong si Julius, but still, partner! But a good block on the part of Tristan Ubalde. Again, sinasabi ko kanina, partner, hindi naman kailangan mag-dribble itong si Julius Tiburcio. Dapat hanapin niya yung mga guards niya. So again, partner, tingnan natin kung ikakapitalize itong mga taga San Andres.
Yes, yan na Tikboy inbounding. Lobs it up to Tagle. And sabi ni Commissioner Eman Faraon, ang foul ay nasa ibaba pa.
Again, partner, nandyan pa rin yung talagang nagstay itong mga taga-Viga dyan sa kanilang zone defense. But again, pinalitan ito ng 2-3 defense, partner. So titingnan natin.
Nadulas ang bola ni Tiburcio, nabitawan na si Ubalde against Tixon. Bumps. And yun nga, partner, alam niya na hirap na siya sa score. So he is attacking the basket at will and nakakuha siya ng foul. And he is now in the free throw line, I guess. Ito na, ata ang simula ng scoring pagdating dito sa Viga. And meron tayong report sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Mabel. Miss Mabel, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Thanks Coach John and Coach Paul. Handang-handa umano ang Team San Andres sa kanilang laban kontra sa Team Viga ngayong finals na ng ating tournament. Ayon kay Coach SP, puspusan ang kanilang naging practice at pinaghandaan nila ang kanilang outside shooting ng kabilang kuponan. Kaya kita naman sa unang quarter pa lang ng game, ang ganda ng chemistry ng mga players ng Team San Andres kaya nagpapaulan sila ngayon ng puntos. Yan muna ang latest update dito sa court side ng Team San Andres. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Miss Mabel. And yun na nga, first point dito sa Viga. Nakuha nila under 4:50 mark ng ating first quarter, courtesy of James Ubalde.
So ayun nga partner, kakasabi lang ni Mabel, partner talagang well prepared dito mga taga San Andres dito sa opening game natin for the finals.
Ryan Salvador with a 3-point bomb, misses. But there is Albert Dixon with the putback. And now the lead is up to 14. This is the highest lead so far. Balyapre is ahead. Blocked by Tiburcio. And merong contact na itinawag
Yes,
ng
partner.
ating referees.
So that's a foul on Julius Tiburcio. Again partner, maganda sana yung challenge ito ni Julius Tiburcio kaso binaba pa niya yung kamay niya. So that's a clear foul doon sa play na yon.
And right now, this is a good sequence pagdating dito sa Viga dahil they're being aggressive right now.
Yes, partner.
Talagang gusto nilang umatake ng umatake. And right now, Eugene is at the line for his last free throw.
And of course, partner, no need to hurry for Team Viga, partner. This is just the first quarter and talagang kailangan nilang dumipensa lang at talagang i-make yung mga possible shots na yan.
Ayan na si Tikboy. Looking for his teammates. Binigay kay Tixon. May pick na bigay kay Tagle. Tixon. Nabitawan ng bola. Borbe. Ubalde is ahead. Ubalde fakes. Attacks. Using the glass. And scores. Yes.
That's the first field goal, partner, of team ng Viga. So that's a good stop on the other end. So maganda, partner. Sabi ko no need to hurry on the part of Team Viga.
Yes, ayan na. Albert Tixon for 3 again. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Osero. Osero is rushing. Gives the ball to Eugene. Eugene open for 3. Tikboy again with the tap. Napunta dito ang bola kay Roldan Tagle. Tikboy again. Signaling a play. Gives the ball to Alvin. Binigay kay Salvador. Shot clock is at 13. Salvador. Tagle. Short jumper. No good. Tagle again with the board. Loses the ball. Ubalde. Nasa kanya ang bola. Binigay kay Borbe. Borbe with the fake against the much smaller na si Tixon. And he capitalized and scores kissing off the glass.
So medyo, partner, medyo nalulusen up na itong mga taga-Viga dito, no? So again, yun ang kailangan nila, no? Huwag sila magmadali and of course, capitalize those possession.
Yes, yan si Salvador. Bad pass pero si Tagle sa ilalim. Basket counts and 1. Grabe, partner, yung talagang kumpiyansa ng isang Tagle coming off from a do-or-die game. And partner, as early as first quarter, meron tayong 8,100 viewers sa ating Facebook Live. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aming liga.
Yes, partner. So napakaganda ng talagang fake niyo ni Tagle, as you can see on the replay, and good capitalization on that end one play. So ito, partner, si Tagle averages 6 points per game dito sa ating liga. So talaga malaki din ang contribution nito. And of course, he averaged 5 rebounds per game. So talaga, partner, napaka-steady nito for Coach Louie Magno dito sa team ng San Andres.
Yes, yun na nga, partner. One thing I've noticed, talagang nagulat ang Team Viga with that defense na ipinakita sa umpisa ng Team San Andres. That's why talagang nakascore sila ng 10-0, I guess 12-0 run. And right now, tama ka, yung offense ng Viga medyo okay na.
Yes, partner. So yun nga, again, this is just the first quarter and talagang dapat i-capitalize nila yan. Yung mga possession na yan. And of course, they should, partner, get those rebounds kasi grabe ang binibigay nito ni Tagle, nito ni Albert Tixon, and of course Julius Tiburcio on the rebounding department on the part of San Andres. So yun ang kailangan nilang bantayan, and of course gang rebound, partner, yun ang kanilang dapat gawin.
Yes, ayan na si Osero, heavily guarded by Tikboy. The shot clock is at 14. Ubalde, naaagawan ni Salvador. Salvador, skying high with a layup. Grabe yung partner.
Grabe yung aggressiveness on the part of the defense side dito mga taga San Andres. Kaya naman, lumulobo na yan, lamang na yan.
Yan, si Eugene hindi nakita ng kanilang mga teammates. Meron slight mismatch dun sa ilalim. Grabe itong pagpasok ni Ryan Salvador. Very aggressive both on offense and on defense. And right now talagang pinapahirapan niya ang kanyang mga dinidepensahan.
Yes, partner. So talagang malaki ang ginagawa nito ni Ryan Salvador on their team.
Ayan na si Borbe with the miss. Osero, ayan na si Tixon against Borbe with the Euro. This is the shot. Cervantes binigay kay Ubalde. Crosses over. Tixon. Tikboy. What a pass kay Salvador sa ilalim. Sapal ang nakuha. Ayan na si Tagle. Tikboy is all alone for 2.
Yan ang sinasabi ko, partner, yung effort ni Tagle, talagang pag andyan siya, talagang hindi mo din matatawarin kasi hindi talaga siya nag-give up on every play, partner.
Yes, tama ka. Ika nga yung wala sa stat sheets talaga. Yun ang nakikita. Pero si Eugene with a block na galing dito kay Cabrera. Grabe, Salvador is ahead against Ubalde with the spin. Salvador hangs in midair. Passes to Cabrera and scores for 2.
Good and selfish play on the part of Team San Andres, partner. Yun yung sinasabi natin. Maganda talaga ang pinapakita nito na team effort nitong mga taga San Andres at the early goings of the game. So kaya sila ang nakalalamang dito.
Sabi ni Eugene, kanina ba ako dito, ibigay nyo na. And the first bucket of Eugene is courtesy of that pass galing dito kay Cervantes. With seconds to play sa ating first quarter, Ubalde gives the ball to Osero against Del Rosario. Osero stolen by Tagle. 3 against 1. Tagle attacks and
that's a bad fall on the part of Ubalde.
Yes, talagang madulas. So talagang pero that is a good foul dahil 3 against 1.
Yes, partner.
It could have been an easy 2 on the side of San Andres, but there is Ubalde chasing the block and he committed the first personal foul. Grabe itong partner si Tagle. Every department ata dito sa larong atin meron na na-contribute magsimula sa rebounds, assist, block, and etc. Talagang this guy is a workhorse pagdating dito sa Team San Andres.
Kasi partner, this is a revelation nga. Sabi ko nga nung nakaraang mga games, talaga nung elimination is talagang medyo flat lang, partner, yung performance nito. Pagdating ng semifinals talaga dito pumutok itong batang ito, partner. So again, this is just if I'm not mistaken, 19 years old lang ito. Si Tagle.
Tama talagang pumutok ang batang yan dahil sabi nga ni Pai Casoy na si Jonathan Aldave, who is one of the players of Team San Andres. He is only 19 years old,
yes,
partner. And after that sequence, yung kanyang katukayo sa katawan na si Osero.
Yes, partner. Ito din. Sabi ko nga, magiging malaki din ang role nito ni Osero dito sa ating game. Because sabi ko, dapat mag-step up siya, partner. Kasi maganda din ang pinapakita nito ni Osero sa ating tournament.
Tama ka, Dan. Si Osero and si Tagle, most likely, very identical ang kanilang mga laro. Talagang workhorse pagdating sa kanilang mga kupunan. And we'll see kung sinong aabante dito sa dalawang workhorse na ito.
Yes, partner. So itong si Osero, average nito 5 points per game. At malaki din. Also, average 5 rebounds per game, partner.
Pero si Salvador, top of the key, 3 fakes, shoots, in and out. Nakuha ang rebound ni Cervantes. Bateres Cabrera, grabe si Cabrera to, partner, kakapasok lang. Magandang contribution. And now the shot clock is off sa ating first quarter. 5.9 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
So ito bola ng mga taga-Viga, so dapat i-capitalize nila to.
Yan na si Osero. He must take the shot dahil maubos na ang oras. And natapos na ang ating very exciting and energetic first quarter. The score is 25-12 in favor of Team San Andres.
Yes, partner. Yan po. Kaya nakalalamang itong mga taga San Andres kasi very aggressive on the part of defense. Maganda din yung team effort at pasahan itong mga taga San Andres. That's why sila ang nakaungos dito. Again, partner, dito sa opening frame, that's a 13-0 run on the part of the Team San Andres. But ayun naman, bumawi sa kabila itong the likes of Malyapre, and of course itong si Tristan Ubalde with that layup and the free throw. So titingnan natin, partner, dito kung ano pa ang magiging adjustments nito ni Coach Sean Molina on the part of Team Viga coming into the second quarter. But again, partner, napakaaga pa nito to celebrate. This is just
13-point lead, partner. So talagang titingnan natin itong magiging adjustments itong mga taga-Viga.
Yes, partner, pakaabangan natin for sure dahil ipapayo ang Viga na maungusan dito sa ating laro dahil alam naman natin talaga mahirap bumabol sa isang malaking lamang pagdating dito, lalong-lalo na kalaban nila Team San Andres.
Yes, partner. So as you can see, the highlights at the first quarter. Again po, ito ang Ribanza sa Isla.
Yes.
The Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes Finals. This is just the game 1 of the best of 3 finals dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes.
Yes, we're now heading sa ating second quarter ng ating laro. Completing the 5 for Viga is Usero, Okray, Ubalde, Malyapre, and Borbe. On the side of San Andres del Rosario, Tagle, Talia, Cabrera, and Salvador. Yes, ito na nga. Nandito na tayo sa ating second quarter. Malyapre, may konting advantage dito kay Cabrera. I've noticed, partner, talagang iba-iba ang pinapadipensa ng San Andres dito sa high scoring guard na si Ubalde.
Yes, partner.
And right now talagang pinipilit ni Ubalde mga score dahil makuha ang kanyang kumpiyansa and to regain his composure dito sa ating laro.
Yes, partner. Talagang papatrabahuhin talaga, partner, nitong mga taga San Andres. Ito si Ubalde dito. Kasi alam nila, partner, na ito talaga ang bumubuhat dito sa team na to with that scoring, partner, and the scoring department. Talagang 26 points per game ito. So, grabe yan.
26 points is a no joke, partner, ha? Grabe naman yon. Kumbaga, they live and die dito kay James Carl Ubalde. And right now, the score is 25-13 in favor of Team San Andres. Talia is ahead. No good. Cabrera with the tip. Grabe, partner, ang magic bunot ni Coach.
Yes, partner. So, talagang lahat ng players dito, nasa one page lang ito, partner. Itong mga taga San Andres, talagang kung sino ang ipasok, magko-contribute.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And I've noticed, binalik ulit ng Team San Andres yung kanilang man-to-man defense. And na si Ubalde against the match staller na si Salvador, Tikboy, and Ubalde. Nagagawan sa bola. Salvador again is flying. What a shot! Over the outstretched arms of Lloyd Jefferson Borbe. And na si Ubalde, corner tray. No good. Rebound, tap by Tikboy. Talia gives the ball to Tikboy. And a bad pass resulted to not turnover dahil bola ng Team San Andres.
Yes, partner, but ito, partner, pasadahan ko lang itong leading scorer natin. For team ng Viga, we have Malyapre and Ubalde with 4 points and 3 points respectively. At sa kabila naman, Texon and Tagle with 7 points respectively, partner.
Yes, yan ang Cabrera. Free throw jumper misses again. Tagle with the board
na naman, partner.
And after that layup na binigay ni Ryan Salvador, I guess nasaktan siya. And he is now in the bench.
Medyo tumama, partner, itong si Tagle sa ating camera.
And meron tayong report galing sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Andrea Chan. Andrea, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Maraming salamat, Coach John and Coach Paul. And magandang gabi, mga kasurog. Mukhang nahihirapan pa nga ang Team Viga laban sa Team San Andres na makapuntos at kinakapapa nila ang gameplay ng kabilang kupunan. Pero ayon kay Coach Sean Molina, nahihirapan nga sila dahil sa dalawang import nito na sina Tikboy del Rosario at Julius Tiburcio dahil may panibago itong gameplay na hindi nila napatandaan. Pero sinisuguro naman ng Team Viga na makabawi sila dahil marami pang oras and anything can happen. Ayan muna ang latest dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Coach Paul and Coach John.
Yes, maraming salamat. Yan si Borbe, attacks the baseline, misses the shot. Tagle and Okray battling for ball. And ang bola mapupunta dito sa mga nakapula.
But again, partner, sino ang nandun to challenge that shot? Ito si Roldan Tagle. Talaga, again, papaingahan muna siya dito kasi grabe yung contribution niya doon sa first quarter and the early goings of the second quarter.
And high fives ang nakuha niya dito sa mga teammates dahil nga yung performance niya during the first quarter and the early second quarter talagang very inevitable. Kaya na si bagong pasok, isang workhorse din.
Yes, partner, ito si Clopino.
Yes, si Clopino. Part of ating kapulisan dito.
Yes, partner.
And right now, Okray crosses the half-court line against Tikboy. Right now, partner, I've noticed iba na naman ang defenders ni James Ubalde right now. Yan na si Ubalde, attacks, fishing for a foul. Yun na nga, partner, ang mala James Harden na pagkuha ng foul, and right now is in the 4.5 meter line.
Yes, partner. Kung talaga makikita mo, pinapakita niya yung bola and then iibahin niya to get those fouls. So maganda ang experience talaga nito ni James Ubalde when it comes to basketball.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Talaga veteran of so many wars. And syempre,
but again, that's the second miss on Ubalde on the free throw line, partner. So dapat i-capitalize niya yan. Yung mga free throws na yan at the early goings of the game.
and this is very unusual dahil alam naman natin dito si Ubalde is a very good free throw shooter. And right now, we have a substitution. Papasok si number 2, Tulod. Another workhorse, papalitan itong high scoring guard na si James Ubalde.
So pinasok na si Julius Tiburcio also, partner.
Earl Andrea gives the ball to Tikboy. Tiburcio is at the post against Malyapre. Tiburcio binigay kay Clopino. Clopino attacks. Misses the gimme. Malyapre with the board. Out is, but there is Tiburcio to intercept the pass. Tikboy crosses over. Binigay kay Tiburcio. Tiburcio sa ilalim. Attacks. Misses the shot.
Medyo malakas yun on the part of Julius Tiburcio. But again, ito partner, ang ginagawa ni Tikboy talagang distribution muna dito.
Yes,
tingnan natin kung ano naman ang gagawin ni Malyapre sa kabila. But again, ayun. That's a short 3-point on the part of Tristan Ubalde.
Yan na si Andrea with the spin against Ubalde. Andrea scores!
Talaga lahat ng bunutin, partner, nito ni Coach Louie Magno is talaga nagko-contribute dito sa ating laro.
Yes, partner, talagang every player has his own role. And na si Tulod, under goal pass dito kay Okray with 12 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Tulod, open for 3. Short.
Again, that's the second time na short yung 3 points itong players, itong Viga. Kanina si Tristan Ubalde, ngayon naman si Tulod. Talaga, partner, medyo may halo na din na pressure siguro to kasi maganda yung pinakitang depensa nitong mga taga San Andres on the early goings of the game.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And right now, Ubalde is with the ball. Binigay kay Borbe. He looks at the clock. It reads 5. Borbe for 3. Finally, partner. First bucket of Lloyd Jefferson Borbe.
So talaga dapat i-capitalize itong si Lloyd Jefferson Borbe ng mga taga-Biga, partner, kasi medyo may konting mismatch on the part of doon sa depensa nito ni Borbe, partner.
Tama, yan na si Andrea. Swings the ball. Tixon is open for 3.
Again.
Money, partner. Money.
Again, partner. Kung talagang walang magro-rotate on the defensive side on the part of Viga, talagang masasaktan sila on those kinds of shot.
Yes, tama nga. They have to double their effort on challenging those kinds of 3-point shots dahil alam naman nila during their first quarter may 3 binitawang 3-pointers itong Team San Andres. What an attack by Tulod but misses the shot. What a shot. Yun na nga, partner. Tulod with the board. Tixon again for 3. He check on the part of Tixon. Tumawa siya after that shot. Ayan na si Borbe. Binigay kay Eugene. What a bad pass by Eugene. Clopino. Another turnover. A sloppy basketball meron tayo dito sa ating second quarter. Ubalde between the legs. Stolen by Tikboy. Tikboy is rushing. Tikboy with the right hand layup and scores.
Huling-huli yun ni Tikboy de Rosario. Kung makikita mo, partner, nasa help side defense siya. Nung nakita niya, partner, na talagang pipihit itong si Tristan Ubalde, ayun na, those steals.
What a shot by Lloyd Jefferson Borbe. Up and under move.
Ganda ng galaw na yun from Borbe.
And another turnover. I guess those ill-advised passes
yes,
talagang kailangan iwasan ng Team San Andres. Dahil right now, talagang ayan na si Borbe. Open for 3 again. No good. Tikboy with a tap again. Tixon is ahead. Tikboy attacks. Misses the shot.
But again, Julius Tiburcio. Yun naman. At ito medyo may konting pagod na on the part of
and shout out sa kay Michael Quinto sa binigay sa amin Mikoy's Pizza. Maraming salamat po. Mikoy's Pizza. And si Roel Hesalba, maraming salamat. sa
Goliath.
pizza. Goliath Pizza. Salamat sa inyo.
Kanina, partner. Pero talagang, again, palitan ng tao dito, partner. Medyo may konting pagod na. Napansin ko, on the part of Team San Andres, kaya hindi sila medyo nakababa doon, partner.
Yes, I guess yun na nga. Ang coach dapat both teams should manage their players dahil alam naman natin this is a 4-quarter game. So dapat yung minuto dahil yan si Tiburcio, heavily guarded with the spin. Tiburcio up and under.
Grabe.
What a shot, partner. Against dito sa malamig na si Tablada. Ubalde struggling to get the possession. Binigay kay Cervantes. Grabe, partner, yung defense ng Tixon. Cervantes with the euro, misses the shot.
So talagang hindi nila papapormahin itong Tixon Brothers, itong Ubalde Brothers.
Tiburcio open for 3. Gives the ball to Alvin. Alvin with a crossover. And natawagan ng foul. Itong si number 27 na si Osero.
But again, partner, medyo malingat lang tayo, partner. Ito, 9-10 point lead na ang kalamangan nitong mga taga San Andres on this game, partner. So dapat talaga yung adjustments nito ni Coach Sean Molina no part of Team Biga is talagang tingnan niya kung ano nangyayari, partner, dito sa ating game. But again, kudos to those players, partner, ng mga taga San Andres, partner. Talagang kahit sino ipasok, partner, nagko-contribute. And for Team Viga naman, sino kaya sa team na ito ang talagang mag-step up dito sa ating game para naman, partner, matapyasan at mahabol itong mga taga San Andres on the early goings of the game dito sa ating first half.
Yes, tama dyan. Literal, lahat ng pinasok, coach.
Yes, partner.
Ng Team San Andres ay nag-contribute in any given way. And alam naman natin, both offense and defense, especially sa offense talaga, lahat ng pinasok nakaka-score at will. So, this is a good sign. And but still, this is just the first half. Tingnan natin kung anong magiging development sa ating second half. Andrea with the ball. Dribbling against Ubalde. Andrea, pull-up jumper for 3. Short on that. Osero with the board. And si Osero hands it off to James Ubalde. Ubalde signaling against Ito. Sa number 6 na si Andrea. Ubalde, partially open. Ubalde for 3. Short. He gets his own miss. Takes his shot, misses again. Tixon with the board.
Again, medyo maalat si James Ubalde, partner, on the part of the 3-point shooting. But again, partner, ayan, baski si Osorio, partner.
Coming off the bench, running up and down the court, receiving the ball, getting the layup and the foul, and now he's in the free throw line. Grabe naman, partner. Every player is contributing on the side of Team San Andres.
Talaga, partner. Sabi ko nga kanina, partner, talagang nasa isang pahina lang itong mga players na ito together with their coaching staff. Kung ano man ang gustong gawin ng talaga nila dito sa game na ito is talagang napapakita nila dyan sa court na yan. So again, this Team Viga should be mindful of this, partner. Kasi again, sinasabi natin medyo sloppy nga yung nagiging depensa nila dito sa mga taga Team San Andres. That's why ganito ang nagiging resulta, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. But then again, syempre, this is just the first half. Alam naman natin na their coaches have their own game plan. And alam naman natin na this Viga squad is undefeated, partner. So talagang siguro this is not a sign, good sign dahil sanay sila na hindi nalalamangan sa larong ito. And, but right now, the score is 45-23 in favor of San Andres. Ubalde attacks. Deep Sidu, no good. A late call ang naitawag ng ating referees, but then again, nasa free throw line itong si James Ubalde.
The foul is on Osorio, partner. May reach-in foul dito si Osorio.
And partner, Osorio is no joke. I guess Osorio stands 6'1", 6'2".
Yes, partner, malaki ito.
Malaking mama ito. And right now, it's a luxury para magpahinga itong si Tiburcio. Maganda ang pinapakita nitong si Osorio. And again,
partner, sabi ko nga, medyo nag-struggle dito si James Ubalde sa ating laro. And again, yung free throws pa lang, partner, medyo that's, I think, the third miss of James Ubalde on the free throw line. And again, another miss. But buti na lang may nakitang lane violation itong si Com Eman, referee.
So mabibigyan ng isa pang free throw itong si James Obalde dito sa ating 2 minutes and 30 second mark ng ating laro.
He has a chance to redeem himself. Yan na si Obalde with his last free throw again. All net pagdating dito kay James Obalde. Right now, the score is 45-24 with 2 minutes sa ating first half. And a turnover on that sequence. Medyo may gustong gawin kagad itong si Alvin Dixon even without the ball. So, resulted to a turnover.
Yes, partner. Wala pa nga yung bola. May nasa isip na siyang gawin eh. So,
pero partner, one thing I've noticed, yan partner, heavily guarded. Itong si Obalde right now ni Andrea. Look at the stance, partner ni Andrea talaga. He is ready to guard the high scoring na si Obalde. Obalde with a miss. Oh, sorry, with the board. Dixon.
Good
pass!
pass!
Kay Andrea and scores!
That's a bullet pass on the part of Albert Dixon, partner.
He's very determined to give the ball to his open teammates. Yan na si number 27 na si Osero Aaron dribbling the ball. And right now, meron tayong foul. And I guess isang foul na lang ang San Andres and they will be. And I guess Team San Andres is now in the penalty.
Yes, penalty na itong mga taga San Andres dito.
And partner, yes, this is a golden opportunity for Viga to score na hindi gumagalaw ang oras, partner.
Yes, partner. So yan talaga dapat i-capitalize nila yung free throws na yan, partner.
And kaya, yun na nga, partner, tingnan natin kung itong si Osero Aaron is in the free throw line and tingnan natin kung tama ka, makakapitalize niya nga yung pagiging penalty nitong Team San Andres.
So again, partner, 1.51 remaining on our second quarter. Ito, lamang po, abante po ng 23 points. Ito mga taga San Andres dito. And again, that's a bucket from Osero. So baba sa 22-point lead ang kalamangan nitong mga taga San Andres dito.
Yes, right now, yun na. Si Osero makes 2 free throws and right now I've seen our commissioner dito na sa ating venue, si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera kasama si Miss Russell Loretta. Magandang gabi sa iyo and maraming salamat. And sa ating Facebook page meron tayong 7,700 viewers na si Malyapre, yun na nga, partner. This is a free throw pagdating dito. Every foul committed by San Andres will result to a free throw pagdating dito sa Viga.
But again, medyo kung hindi yun na-prevent, partner, that could have been an easy layup for Team Viga kasi talagang tutok na to si Eugene Malyapre dun sa baba para ipasa yung bola. So, but again, that's a foul, so Eugene will troop to the line for 2. Again, another miss for Team Viga on the free throw line, partner. And
we all know Eugene Malyapre is a steady free throw shooter even if he is a big man. He has a soft touch and right now he splits his free throws and right now the score is 47-27 with 1 minute and 30 seconds sa ating first half. Dixon gives the ball to Salvador. Salvador attacks. Pull-up jumper. Short. Nakuha ni Osero ang bola. Gives the ball to their main man na si Obalde. Guarded with the much taller defender. Obalde squeezes in. Misses the shot. Obalde again. Block by Osero. Again, the ball is alive. Salvador. Outlets to and possession will go to Team San Andres.
Ako, mapansin ko dito, partner, malaki ang binibigay na depensa dito kay Obalde. But pag nakalusot siya, partner, makikita mo yung help side defender. Yes. May second side defender pa siya. So talagang pinapahirapan nila dito itong si James Obalde in this game.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Nakita ko si Osero is limping a bit right now dahil siguro na napilok. Hope he's okay. And tama ka dyan, partner. Even makalusot itong si Obalde, talaga yung help side defense and yung help ng mga players talaga nandun. Dixon, baseline jumper. No good. Obalde is ahead. Dixon is rushing. Obalde attacks using his body, partner.
Yes, partner. So, grabe yung composure when it comes to that open layup, open drive.
And right now, we are now in the seconds to play na ating first half. Salvador hands it off to Dixon. Binigay kay Albert Dixon. Valles is in the floor. Osero, ang lakas ng pasa. And ang bola mapupunta dito sa mga taga-Viga. Talagang daming tao, partner, kahit sa ating labas. Pero good thing naman, partner, siyempre hindi naman papabayaan ng ating puting congressman na si Congressman Saldico.
Yes,
mga nasa labas ng ating venue dahil meron tayong LED truck.
Yes, partner. Meron tayong LED, napakalaking LED truck po na you can, yung mga hindi nakapasok, mapapanood pa rin kung ano yung nangyayari dito sa ating game dito sa loob.
Yes, yun na nga, partner, talagang hindi papabayaan ng atin. Siyempre, itong ligang ito ay hatid sa atin ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, katabang nakasurog pa, and also si Congressman Jill Bongalon. And right now, San Andres is with the possession, gives the ball to Tixon. 3 seconds, Stick Boy, Hail Mary 3-point shot, misses. And that ends our first half with a score of 47-31 in favor of Team San Andres.
Yes, partner. So, abante dito ang mga taga San Andres. So, ayun na nga, titingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments dito nito mga taga Viga coming into the second half. Again po, this is the first game of the So, magbabalik po kami for the second half. Diyan lamang po kayo.
Sikat na Viva Max artist. I-entry mo na!
At saka ka ba, ito din ang isa sa pinaka-hinihintay ng lahat ng mga katanduanan!
Miss Aki Acosta! Palakpakan once again, Miss Aki Acosta!
Good evening sa inyo! Ang dami nyo.
Maybe climbing on rainbow.
Mukhang nag-e-enjoy kayong lahat. Ako rin.
Baby, you know that dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we can make it, boy. I really think that we could make it, boy.
Thank you.
Ayan! Sobrang saya ng mga mata! Agree ba kayo dyan? Ay, naku ka pa! Ngayon,
Okay.
excited na ba kayo? May surprise pa kami sa lahat ng mga
Okay.
katanduanon!
Kailangan namin ng apat! Apat na lalaki! Apat! Sinong laban?
Kami ng apat na
Apat!
lalaki!
Apat! Apat!
Sinong gusto?
Okay, halika!
Dito ako ka pa! Sino
Tatlo
gusto?
pa! Tatlo pa!
Apat na lalaki! Kuya!
Tatlo pa! Tara!
Sino?
Halika na!
Ikaw! Halika dito!
Pare na!
Kapa! Wait lang, Kapa! Kapa! Eto na! Wag na! Kapa! Kapa! Wag na! Eto na! Eto si Kuya.
Meron pang isa dito. Meron pang isa.
Eto.
Ay nako, apat na. Sandali.
Apat na sila. Apat na.
Apat na?
Oo.
Okay lang.
Doon po kayo harap. Ayan. Kompleto na sila, Kapa.
Kompleto na. Yan ang request sa atin ni Asi. Kaya ito na, Asi. Ang apat na participants ng mga katangduanon. Magigiting na katangduanon. Kamusta?
Marunong ba kayo sumayaw? TikTok? Anong name mo?
Giancarlo po. Haji.
George!
Jeffrey.
Ayun. Alam niyo yung TikTok ni Mariana? Price tag. Yung everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. Ayun yung gagawin natin. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Sabayan niyo lang ako. Sige. Music, please. Ayun, ganun lang kadali. So, kailangan yung galingan kasi yung mananalo, may prize. Ayun. So, alam nyo na ba yung step? Okay. Music. Mukhang may nanalo na. So, magde-decide tayo sa mananalo kung sino yung may pinakamalakas na hiyaw.
Okay, start tayo kay Kuya. Oh, hindi ko narinig. Isa pa. Hiyaw para kay Kuya. Ay, nagre-request si Kuya last daw. Agree ba kayo? Sure? Okay, last. Galingan nyo ha. Okay. Music please. Oh. Okay. Sige, dito naman tayo mag-start. 3, 2, 1. Hiyaw para kay Kuya. Ay, nahiya. Bakit ka lumalayo sa akin, Kuya? Kami na nga lang. Joke lang. Okay. Para kay Kuya, hiyaw. Okay. And for Kuya. Oh, maraming fans si Kuya. Kayo po. Dito kay Kuya, hiyaw. Oh, and for the last, bakit ka lumalayo sa akin? Kay Kuya. Oh. Naku, mukhang mahirap to. So, mukhang ginalingan naman nila lahat. So, ang prize natin is picture. Dito ako sa gitna. Okay, picture. And t-shirt. Siyempre. Ayan pala yung pinapirmahan sa akin kanina. Ayun. Close, Kuya. Ayun, thank you. Yes. So, may isang kanta pa ako para sa inyo. Alam nyo ba to? Sabayan nyo ako kung alam nyo, ah.
But getting too sensual is really not my style. Let's take it slow, so slow. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, for you I lay it all on the line.
Sabay-sabay!
I don't know, boy, I ain't got nowhere to go. I give it to you, only to you. We gotta take it real slow. I know tomorrow it will still be you and me. I'm saving it all for you, especially. Trust in me, baby, when I say this to you. If we wait a little longer, our love will be forever true. Let's take it slow, so slow. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, for you I lay it all on the line. You ought to know, I don't know, boy, I ain't got nowhere to go. I'll give it to you, only to you. We gotta take it real slow. Let's take it slow, so slow. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, for you I lay it all on the line. You ought to know, boy, I ain't got nowhere to go. I'll give it to you, only to you. We gotta take it real slow.
Yo, let's take it slow.
There you go! The stunningly sexy Miss Asi Acosta. Maraming salamat, Asi.
Acosta, thank you so much sa napakagandang performance kasing ganda ni Miss Asi Acosta.
Alright. Gusto niyo pa? Gusto niyo pa?
Gusto pa?
O sige. Dahil gusto niyo pa, ihahatid na namin yung second half ng ating game in a few seconds from now. Pero bago yan, pasalamat muna tayo, partner.
Ayan, once again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga katanduanon na pumunta dito at live nanonood ng Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes dito sa Verac Sports Complex. Hindi rin to magiging posible kung wala ang ating mga sponsors.
Of course, pasalamatan natin ang Representative Saldico at ang Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurug pa!
And syempre, pwede nyo rin po kaming sundan ang Ako Bicol Cup sa aming mga Facebook pages sa Rep Saldico.
And of course, Ako Bicol Online TV. And syempre, sa Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page.
Ayun.
At ito pa, madali ka. Meron pa, yung
Ano
YouTube natin.
Ay, oo.
Pa-follow na lang po.
Yes, please like, share, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and TikTok account at Ako Bicol Cup for more updates.
Okay, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, katanduanon!
Ayan, mamibigay tayo ng t-shirt ng Ako Bicol Cup sa ating mga minamahal na katanduanon.
Ayan! Yun!
Halos lahat gustong magkaroon ng t-shirt. Pero syempre, kung sino lang yung mahagisan ng t-shirt, yun lang ang maaaring magkaroon ng Ako Bicol Cup t-shirt.
At kaya dapat sa susunod na laro, sa Game 2 natin, nandito kayo mas maaga pa at makapwesto ng mas maayos. At who knows, baka mas may mga mabibigat na papremyo tayong ibibigay.
Yes! At baka abangan nyo yan sa aming Game 2 ng Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes kung ano nga ba ang mga surprises at mga papremyo.
Ayan, pero bago yan, syempre, tapusin muna natin ang ating Game 1 ng ating revansa sa isla ni Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes Championship Series.
Ngayon, ibibigyan na natin ng floor sa ating announcer, Mr. JV Salvador.
Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Dinot sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di Samuya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Dakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdig. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa mga sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di Samuya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapaki-pakinabang.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Yahoo Beagle Cup Championship Game Best of 3 Series Game 1 of Team Figa versus Team San Andres. Brought to you by Congressman Salito at Yahoo Beagle Party List. Natabak na kasunod pa.
And we are back sa ating laro, laban ng San Andres versus Viga dito sa ating kauna-unang championship series dito sa Rebansa sa Isla. San Andres versus Viga.
Yes, partner. But before we start the third quarter, pasadahan ko lang itong mga leading scorers natin. For Team Viga, we have Malyapre with 9 points, Ubaldi with 8, and Borby with 7. At sa kabila naman sa Team San Andres, we have Tixon with 10 points, Tagle with 10 points, and Del Rosario with 7. So maganda ang pinapakita ng mga players na ito, partner. But again, sabi ko nga, kaya lamang ng 16 points itong mga taga San Andres ay dahil dun sa collaborative effort or sa team effort na pinapakita nila when it comes to defense and offense. At sabi ko nga, ang tanong ko ngayon, who will be yung magi-step up dito sa team ng Viga dito sa ating game. So again, partner, maganda ang pinapakita nito mga taga Team San Andres, at titingnan natin dito kung talaga bang makakabuhat na at talagang lalapit na itong mga taga Viga dito sa nakakalamang na San Andres.
Grabe, partner, ang ating first half. Napakainit, and meron tayong interview.
Yes,
sa
partner.
ating guest artist kanina. And kasama si Miss Mabel, kasama si Miss Asi Acosta. Mabel, take it away.
Thank you, Coach John and Coach Paul. At ito na nga, kasama ko na ngayon ang ating Viva Max artist na si Miss Asi Acosta. Hi, Miss Asi. Good evening po. You're so pretty. How was your Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes experience so far?
So far, sobrang nag-enjoy ako kasi napakabait ng mga tao dito and ang sarap ng mga food. Ayun po.
Kamusta naman po kasama doon sa crowd ang ating mga Katanduanon?
Ayun po, nagulat ako kasi ang saya-saya nila kaya naging masaya din ako nung nagpe-perform po ako kanina.
Okay, kita naman kay Miss Asi na nag-enjoy talaga siya. How about your message sa ating dalawang teams na naglalaban ngayon and also sa ating mga kasurog viewers and also to your fans? Go ahead.
Ang message ko sa mga naglalaro ngayon, syempre, enjoy nyo lang yung game at win or lose, ang mahalaga may natutunan kayo and good luck.
Ma'am, baka may mga gusto kang batian and pasalamatan?
Ayun. Thank you so much to Congressman Saldico and Congressman Jill Bongalon for inviting me na Ako Bicol Party List. Thank you so much po sa inyo.
Ayan, thank you Miss Asi for joining us tonight and enjoy the rest of your stay here sa Catanduanes. And that's the latest update dito muna sa court. Back to the panel.
Yes, maraming salamat na tuwang-tuwa ang aking partner si Coach Paul with that interview. And sabi nga ni Coach Paul, subscribe na.
Subscribe na kayo sa Rep Saldico page, Ako Bicol Online TV, and of course sa ating YouTube channel. And may TikTok pa tayo, doon kayo mag-subscribe. And again, thank you Miss Asi Acosta for gracing this game.
And right now, partner, a 5-0 run na binitawan dito na San Andres sa ating opening ng third quarter. Ubalde with the fake. Ubalde attacks using the glass, misses. Tagle with the board.
Again, partner, talagang maalat pa itong si James Ubalde at dito na sa early goings ng ating second half. Dapat mag-step up na siya dito, partner, kung gusto nilang makabalik dito sa game na ito.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And on the side, defensive side, they have to defend well right now because those Tixon brothers are shooting the lights out sa 3-point shot.
And because of that lead, partner, makikita mo yung composure nitong Team San Andres. Talagang they are executing their plays and maganda yung pinapakita nila when it comes to offense.
Ayan na si Tikboy, ito baseline. Drop pass, Tiburcio na agaw. Borbe, ahead. Borbe, trailing against the much smaller Tixon. Binigay kay Ubalde. Ubalde attacks. Floater using the glass for 2. And right now, yun na nga, dapat maging patient lang ang Viga pagdating sa kanilang offense dahil alam naman natin this Viga squad is a high-scoring squad.
Yes, partner. So talaga, ang binibigay nitong Team Viga na ito is a whopping 91 points per game, partner, itong mga taga-Viga. So talaga dapat ito ang hinahanap natin dito sa ating laro. But again, ayun na naman itong si Tikboy Del Rosario for another 2 points.
And one thing I've noticed si Malyapre against Tiburcio sa ilalim, muscling his way and scoring for 2. Plus a foul. Grabe, partner.
That's an offensive foul on the part of Malyapre, partner. So kung makikita mo talagang tiningnan niya pa itong si Tiburcio para i-challenge itong si Tiburcio. But again, good defense on the part of Julius Tiburcio.
And much to the delight of the coaches ng San Andres dahil na-reverse nga yung tawag. Yan na si Tixon, gives the ball to his brother. Albert binigay kay Tagle, open for Trey. Short, Ubalde with the board. Binigay kay Ubalde. Eugene is open.
Again, miscommunication on the part of Team San Andres and good recognition on the part of Tristan Obale to akating Eugene Malyapre.
And this is a good sign on the part of Viga dahil Eugene is being aggressive. Yan ang stick boy with a jump step. Double team. And nakaapak. And turnover on the part of Dick Boy. And now the ball is with Viga side.
And this is the chance to cut the lead dito for Team Viga.
And right now, ating putihing boss, ang kapatid ng ating commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera na si Boss Ino Rivera is watching right now. Shoutout sa'yo, Boss Ino. And Malyapre misses the 3-point bomb. Dick Boy heavily guarded by Okray. And si Dick Boy swings the ball to Tixon. Tiburcio at the post against Malyapre. Tiburcio attacks, blocked by Malyapre. Ahead is Ubalde. Ubalde attacks and scores. Tixon gives the ball to Tikboy. Tikboy attacks. Hands it off to Tixon. In and out. Nakuha ni Tikboy ang bola and scores for 2.
Again, those efforts, partner, dapat sana sabi ko na rebounding. Yun ang kailangan bantayan nitong mga taga-Viga. Kasi pag hindi nila nakuha yung bola na yan, no opportunity for them to score. Again, another turnover.
And those 50-50 balls yan si Tagle. Defended well. Tikboy against Okray and scores again. And right now, the point guard of Viga should control the tempo dahil unusual yung mga nangyayaring pagbaba ng bola ni Eugene that resulted to a turnover dito sa Viga side.
Yes, partner, yun ang sinasabi ko, yung capitalization on the turnover points, partner, magandang pinapakita nitong Team San Andres at kinakapitalize nila every turnover nitong mga taga-Viga.
Yan ang Ubalde with a hook shot, misses. Tiburcio with the board. Ahead, but there is Ubalde to intercept the pass. Ubalde rushing up and under. Misses. Tiburcio and Malyapre battling for the board. Nanalo ang San Andres. Possession will go to the red shirts.
Again, partner, sa ngayon, sa punto ito ng laro, partner, wala akong nakikita na team play na ginagawa nitong mga taga-Viga, partner. So talagang medyo one-on-ones and also kailangan ng talagang adjustment in terms of offense, partner. And the part of defense naman for Team Viga, dapat yung gang rebounding, makuha nila yung bola na yan.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Si Tixon swings the ball to Tiburcio. Open for 3. Julius for 3.
Nako, yun ang sinasabi natin. Pati si Tiburcio na hawa na, partner, on the side of Team San Andres sa 3-point range.
Yes, partner. When it rains, it pours. Ika nga. Kaya tuwang-tuwa ang ating mga kaibigan dito sa Baras Municipal Police Station headed by Kuya Noy, Tito Jonal, Doms Nice, and Papa Vince. Magandang gabi and maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa aming mga liga.
Yes, partner. Magandang gabi po sa ating mga kapulisan na nanonood ngayon. Again, partner, dito sa ating laro, talagang nagpipick up na itong mga taga San Andres dito.
Yes,
ito na, partner, ang kalamangan talagang lumulobo na dito sa ating third quarter.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Don't look now. This is the biggest lead so far of San Andres. And ayan na si Ubalde. I guess they have the double time dito pagdating sa scoring dahil talagang nalalamangan na sila at will nito ang San Andres. Ayan na si Ubalde. Attacks. Block. Merong foul na itawag.
And Malyapre. So talagang dapat team effort para mahabol itong kalamangan itong mga taga San Andres.
Ayan na si Tixon. Top of the key. Tixon using the alley-oop. Eye in the sky play. Misses the shot. Cabrera. Tip in. Nakuha ni Tagle. Swings the ball to Tikboy against Usero. 7 on the clock. 5. Tikboy attacks. Tikboy. Step back 3. Money for Tikboy del Rosario.
Talaga, partner, pag wala nang oras dun sa shot clock, Tikboy is taking over. So talaga maganda ang recognition nito ni Tikboy when it comes dito sa ating laro.
Yes, yun na nga, partner. Lalong lumalaki ang ring outside us. Ayan na si Ubalde, miss a shot. Malyapre powering his way using the glass. And right now, partner, Eugene means business right now.
Talaga yun na, partner, talagang sinisiksik na ni Eugene at talagang linalakasan na ni Eugene ang talagang grabe yung
grabe, partner, kung may tinamaan lalo what sequence right now. Ayan, pumasok ang ating isang player na si Rudy Clopino, who is also a part of Philippine National Police. Speaking of Philippine National Police,
yes,
batiin ko ang aking mga kaibigan na si Eduardo Red Jr. and si Chaggy Arrienda na laging sumusuporta sa ating liga. And right now, what a pass by Dick Boy.
And this is a 25-point lead dito mga taga San Andres, partner. Again, good also itong si Alvin Tixon, talagang grabe ang contribution niya. Kung mapapansin mo, partner, talagang wala siya nung last game because nung I think the game before the semifinals sila over fatigue yan, partner, because of yung linaro niya against the Team Bato, partner. So talagang grabe ang pinapakita nitong Tixon brothers dito sa laro when it comes to defending and also adding points to their team, partner.
Yes, kumbaga, partner, double black eye ang pinapakita nitong Tixon brothers dito sa Team Viga. And talagang I guess ngayong sequence ito talagang well prepared itong Team San Andres. And right now, as we take a look, our ating commissioner na si Commissioner Lord Rivera is in the building right now supporting our league. Maraming salamat. And we are back with 3 minutes and 21 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Ubalde hands it off to number 27 na si Ocero. Okray. Ubalde. Nakakita ng puwang. Ubalde up and under. No good. Rebound. Tixon.
So ayan na, partner. Tingnan natin. Ayan na naman yung drive ni
Cabrera. Lefty jumper. No good. Clopino with the board and the fake. Tixon. Short jumper. In and out. Nakuha ni Okray ang bola. Ocero. Attacks. Euro. Block by Tixon. But there is Okray with the board. Borbe. Open for 3. Misses. Borbe again. Yun. Making sure na talagang hindi na magbibitis ang yung layup. And right now the score is 66-43 with 2 minutes. Okray. Kicks it out to Tixon. Short.
Good rebound on the part of Eugene Mariapre, partner. So ayun, medyo nagmamadali dito itong mga taga-team San Andres, partner.
Yan na si Okray, corner 3. No good. Ocero, skying high with the rebound. Borbe is open for 3. No good. Thick Boy is in a rush. Looks at his teammates. Thick Boy attacks using the glass. Money.
Again, take over mode na, partner. Ito si Thick Boy Del Rosario in the third quarter.
Ubalde. Between the legs, dribble. The shot lang siya 12. Ubalde, stop for 3. No good. Thick Boy with the board. Out there si Tixon. Flies, scores!
Talaga, partner, yan talaga ang kinakapitalize ito ni Thick Boy. Yan si Albert Tixon. Pag talagang mumintis ka, nako, ayun na.
Team San Andres ball.
James Ubalde did not like the call. Naisan siya ni Thick Boy doon.
Yes, partner. So the possession remains with Team San Andres with 1 minute and 18 seconds on the game.
And meron tayong si Pamplona Allison. Medyo malalim na ang dukot ng coach
yes, partner,
right now kasi he has to partner. Everything going well pagdating dito sa San Andres squad, partner.
Medyo na-stuck na itong mga taga Viga dito when it comes to defending, partner. So talagang hindi na sila nagro-rotate dyan sa mga tao nila. Again, Ocero. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ni Ocero. Another steal on the part of Alvin Tixon. Ayan na naman si Thick Boy Del Rosario. And a foul! That's an N1 play.
And he looks at the crowd.
Grabe, partner. Sabi mo nga, lahat talaga ng nangyayari dito sa court ay talaga pumapabor dito ngayon sa mga taga San Andres.
Right now with the contact and the N1. And he looks at the crowd and sabi niya, he wants to win the game 1, partner.
Yes,
definitely.
partner, definitely. And partner, this is a 31-point lead for Team San Andres here on the third quarter.
35 seconds.
Yan na si Borbe. Top of the key against Clopino. Borbe with the spin. Borbe gives the ball to Eugene. Turns it over. Tixon behind the back dribble. Open for 3. No good. Tikboy wisely using the clock against Ubalde.
10 seconds remaining.
7 on the clock. Tikboy attacks. Tikboy gives the ball to Clopino. Loses the ball. And a bad pass that resulted to turnover.
Last 2 seconds.
Tikboy attacks. And that ends our third quarter with a score of 74-43, a whopping big
31.
margin.
That's a 31-point lead, partner, on the part of Team San Andres. It's a very big cushion on the part of Team San Andres here in the first game of the finals. Again, talaga dapat makakuha na dito ng kung sino man mag-step up for Team Viga, partner, dito sa ating laro. Talaga kahit sino bunutin ng coach, talaga, partner, medyo sabi mo nga napakalalim na ng bunot dito ni Coach Sean Molina dito sa part ng Viga. But again, ito talaga ang tinitingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments nito mga taga-Viga coming into the fourth quarter. But again, this is just the end of the third quarter. Mayroon pa tayong fourth quarter. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments pa nito mga taga-Viga para maibaba yung kalamangan na yan.
And syempre sa ating fourth quarter, shoutout daw sa mga taga-team Yahweh sa Magurang Pulangki galing sa ating writer si Iris. And syempre shoutout sa aking mga brothers from Albay Basketball Community and sa aking anak na si Franco and si Juan Carlos. Magandang gabi. And right now, San Andres is enjoying the lead. And but this is far from over. We have a solid 10 minutes right now and we'll see if what adjustments ang gagawin ng coach ng Viga to decrease or makalapit sa kalamangan ng San Andres.
Yes, partner. So again, yun na nga, sinasabi natin, yung turnover points, yung assist department, and yung rebounding department. The last 3 quarters na ipanalo yun, partner, nitong mga taga San Andres. But now, talagang kailangan mag-double effort itong mga taga Viga dito sa ating laro.
Ayan na, si Tixon. All alone again. Back pass, pero nabitawan ng bola. Tulod. Gives the ball to Timaho. Short jumper. Misses. Cervantes with the board. Pamplona. 4-3. No good. Clopino collects the board. Binigay kay Tixon. And natawagan ng foul itong number 12. Si Panglao, Mark Ronald. And we have a report galing sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Mabel. Miss Mabel, take it away.
17 seconds to shoot.
And ayan na si Tikboy for 3. Come on!
Talaga, partner, talagang dinidiin na nitong mga taga San Andres, itong taga Viga dito sa ating first game nitong finals. At kung mapapansin mo, partner, lahat ng nasa loob ay yung mga bench players na nitong mga taga Viga, partner.
Yes, sir. San Andres with a follow-away jumper. And after that, talagang kumamada ng 3-point shot itong si Tikboy Del Rosario, adding the lead dito sa side ng San Andres. Del Rosario signaling the number 1 play. Binigay dito kay Alvin Tixon. Alvin attacks. Alvin Tixon. And I guess meron tayong whistle na narinig. A foul. And right now, ito na. Meron tayong report galing sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Mabel. Miss Mabel, take it away.
Thank you, Coach John and Coach Paul. Malaki pa rin ang kalamangan ng Team San Andres kontra sa Team Viga sa fourth quarter ng game. Kita naman ang napakagandang adjustments ng player ng Team San Andres sa loob ng court at napanatili rin nila ang kanilang chemistry at lakas ng depensa. Sabi nga ni Coach SP, despite the strength right now, ay huwag pa rin makampante at mag-focus lang hanggang sa matapos ang game para makuha nila ang unang advantage sa ating ribansa sa Isla Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes Finals. Yan muna ang latest update dito sa courtside ng Team San Andres. Balik sa inyo, Coach John and Coach Paul.
Yes, maraming salamat. And right now, si Tulod is in the free throw line because he attacked the basket and Tikboy Del Rosario committed a foul. 2 for 2 on the part of John Cedric Tulod.
Again, balik, partner, sa 31-point lead itong 30 points ang kalamangan itong mga taga San Andres dito sa ating laro.
grabe yung luxury partner ni isang coach ng San Andres talaga. Every time kung sino binutin niya talagang nag-contribute, and on the side of Viga, di nila alam kung sino talaga babantayan. So talagang right now, I guess heavily yung scoring is distributed well. Ayan na si Clopino at the post. Man to man, up and under with the fake, with the foul. Nakakuha siya ng foul dito sa number 24 na si Charlie Timaho.
And again, partner, the luxury also with this kind of lead, partner, talaga kung makikita mo, partner, very composed na itong mga taga San Andres dito and executing their plays. So hindi na sila nagmamadali. Talagang they are just capitalizing on every possession ng kanilang game. So maganda ito for Team San Andres naman. For Team Viga, this is not a good sign, partner, at this 8-minute mark ng ating laro. So siguro kailangan na talaga nilang mag-double time at kung gusto pa nila makabalik dito sa ating game.
Yes, tama dyan. Kailangan mag-double time ng Viga right now. Kevin Newton is watching. Shoutout kay William Martin and Newton family ng Viga, and syempre sa K3. Boss Kevin, magandang gabi sa iyo. And syempre ang aking mga kaibigan sa Albay Basketball Community, yan si Clopino, guarded by Pamplona. Gives the ball to Salvador, attacking the baseline. Binigay kay Clopino, hammered by number 7 na si Cervantes.
Yes, partner. And speaking of this game, talaga malaki ang contribution din ito ni Clopino dito sa ating laro. And also, itong ibang mga players pa nitong mga taga San Andres. But again, partner, when it comes to leading scorers for Team Viga, partner, ito lang talaga ang talagang nagko-contribute dito. We have Marliapre with 13 points, Ubaldi with 10 points, and Borbe with 9 points, partner. At sa kabila naman, dito sa Team San Andres, we have Tikboy de Rosario na mayroon ng 18 puntos. Si Tixon ay mayroon ng 15 points. Ito si Albert Tixon, and of course, Tagle with 10 points, partner. So maganda talaga ang pinakita ng mga starters nitong mga taga San Andres.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And grabe talaga ang alat ng offense ang pinapakita, but there is Panglao saving the day for Viga, and shoutout sa asawa na Lian Joyce Toledana and John Toledana from watching from Baras, and shoutout po kay Boss Ino Rivera. Magandang gabi sa iyo, boss.
Magandang gabi po, boss, and happy viewing po sa inyo.
And right now, marami pa tayo nagpapa-shoutout pero hindi namin muna ma-accommodate. Maya try natin. And another easy 2 points dito kay Ryan Salvador. And now the lead is up to 31. This is the biggest lead so far on the side of Team San Andres.
Again, that's another 2 points on the part of Cervantes. So balik ulit sa 30 ang Kalamangan, or if I'm not mistaken, 29 points dito sa ating fourth and final quarter dito sa ating game 1.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And I guess sa body language ng Viga, they already gave up this game 1. Pero again, this is on the lighter side.
Yes, partner. So dapat ito, this is just the game 1, partner. So may pagkakataon pa dito makabawi itong mga taga Viga, partner. Kasi sabi mo nga, medyo itong mga nasa loob lang, itong mga taga Viga, itong mga second string or third stringer nitong team na ito. So talagang yung sinasabi natin, yung hinahanap nila talagang spark ng third or ng second quarter is talagang hindi nila nakuha because of that good team effort dito mga taga Team San Andres.
And this is also the chance sa ating mga self-abuse players, lalong-lalo na sa Viga side, na talagang this is the chance na pakita nila na talaga they deserve the minutes. And for sure, para madala nila yung kumpiyansa sa susunod na game natin.
Yes, partner. And for Team San Andres, talaga dapat ito na yung chance para puliduhin nila yung system and talaga yung play na pinapakita nila, partner.
Grabe yung lipad partner ni Ryan Salvador. Ayan na si Tulod, attacks. Panglao, block by Tikboy de Rosario.
Inabangan talaga yung ni Tikboy de Rosario. And for in that kind of play, talagang dapat hindi ka magdalawang isip, partner.
Yes.
Should be aggressive at always pag mga ganyan.
And alam mo naman, may mismatch dahil sa height, lamang ka. And yun na, Pamplona makes the 3-point bomb. And right now, batiin ko ang aking kaibigan na si Merto Roas Jr. Pinapabati din niya ang Jerome Metica ng Fiselco watching Ako Bicol Cup Game 1. Jerome is cheering for Team Viga. Go Viga, and maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa aming liga. Ayan na si Clopino again.
Yan, nag-enjoy na itong mga players, itong team ng San Andres dito, partner, sa ating fourth quarter because nga napakalaki ng cushion na ibinigay nila dito sa team ng Viga.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na. Yung scoring ng bench ng San Andres talaga, lording it over pagdating dito sa side ng Viga. Talagang every player inserted by coach talagang contributed well. And Salvador na sa ilalim. Clopino again with the fake partner. And talagang Clopino is enjoying his minutes inside, and now he's in the free throw line to shoot two.
So that's the fourth foul on Luis Cervantes. Again, sinasabi ko nga kanina, partner, doon sa ating pregame, yung dominance nito ni Lloyd Borbe and ni Eugene Malyapres, medyo hindi natin nakita dito sa game na ito. And also that good chemistry of Team Viga on their last outing during the semifinals against Bato, partner. So yun sana ang gusto ko makita dito sa kupunan na ito. Napaka-synchronized, napakaganda ng play na pinakita nila doon sa larong iyon. But right now, medyo nabaliktad. Ang gumawa nun is itong mga team sa taga San Andres, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Tulod, attacks, hanging in midair. No good. Cervantes with the board. Attacks, fall away jumper. Misses. And Tikboy de Rosario is finally in the bench resting, and I guess if not, isa sa naman siya sa mga candidates for us Kasurog best player of the ball game.
Yes, partner, but again, this is the chance also for the players na nasa bench para mag-step up din dito sa larong ito at magpakita din kung ano ang kanilang galing dito sa team ng San Andres side.
Panglaw with the follow-away, gandang galaw yung partner.
Yes, magandang galaw, part of Panglaw dito sa Team Viga. Again, this is just the first game of the Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes. This is a revansa sa Isla, first game po ng finals. Again, ito si Valesa with the ball. And Osorio, the miss doon si Osorio on that play.
Yes, partner, and maraming salamat sa patuloy. Yan na si Tulod, block by Salvador. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Pamplona misses the shot. Natawagan.
Nakita doon si Osorio, partner. May konting tulak itong si Osorio on that play.
And pero kanina, partner, napakagandang contribution ito binigay ni Osorio dito kanina. Quality minutes during the first half, and he's earning the minutes right now, kaya binalik ulit siya. Tulod, one of the lone bright spots dito pagdating sa Viga, coming off the bench, scoring at will, and yan, kudos to this guy, a very hardworking guy.
So ito na, partner, talagang gumagamit na ng oras itong mga taga San Andres dito. Siguro to finish na this game.
And shoutout daw sa aking kaibigan na si Miss Jody Binaobra na nandito sa gilid kanina pa senyas ng senyas. Ayan na si Panglao, attacks, he was fouled. And he is now in the free throw line.
Yes, partner. So again, yung story nitong game na ito, partner, opening frame pa lang, yung aggressiveness itong mga taga-team San Andres, talagang makikita mo talaga na gustong-gusto nilang ipanalo itong game 1 na ito.
Yes, tama ka dyan. That sets it all. Parang talaga during the first quarter, nakita ko kagad kung gano'ng ka-aggressive itong San Andres talaga. From the start, Julius Tiburcio with those offensive rebounds, mga tapas, talagang makikita mo doon na talagang they want to win the game 1.
Yes, partner. So talaga napaka-synchronized ng galaw at talaga napaghandaan nila. And of course, I think na-scout niya talaga nila itong mga taga-Viga, partner, kung anong gagawin nila. And of course, shutting the lights out of James Obalde, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan, as early as first quarter talaga.
Oo, partner. So,
Obalde brothers was shut down, and
so medyo magtatagumpay dito, partner, itong mga Tixon brothers kontra dito sa Obalde brothers, to sa ating brothers matchup dito sa ating game na ito. So again,
yes, partner, pero this is just the game 1,
yes,
partner. This is best of 3 championship series. Alam naman natin, ang Viga talaga, they're not just here na talagang basta-basta lang. Baga, they earned their spot dito sa ating championship coming from the elimination rounds, walang talo, up to the semifinals. And medyo hindi rin pinalad dito sa unang laro ng ating championship
Yes,
game.
partner. So, ayun na nga. So, balik tayo sa laro, partner, with Andrea. And to Salvador. Ito, partner, medyo lalaruin na talaga nito ng mga taga San Andres.
Yan si Salvador, partner, coming off the bench. Talagang he is very aggressive, attacking the ring at will. Napansin ko sa kanya, partner, running up and down the court, defending those scoring guards ng Viga. And kudos to this guy.
Yes, partner, and makikita mo walang kaarte-arte sa paglalaro, partner. And kung makikita mo, napaka-steady. Kung ipapasok siya, okay. Kung hindi, nandyan siya sa bench para mag-cheer sa kanyang mga teammates. So, napaganda ng attitude dito ni Salvador dito sa team ng San Andres.
And yan na nga, meron tayong konting technical difficulty. Nakapakan ulit ang ating scorers. Yan na, nakabalik na. And
so ayun, mabibigyan ng dalawang free throws ito si Salvador because of the foul. And penalty na din, partner, itong mga taga Viga dito sa ating laro.
yes, ayan na si Lucero. Medyo pagod na rin, partner, kasi kanina pa itong first half.
Yes,
Si Lucero
partner.
talagang he is attacking the ring. And I guess talagang naisahan siya dito. Ayan na si Andrea. A good spark din pagdating dito sa San Andres. We are now nearing the twilight zone. And yun na nga. These coaches are shuffling their players right now to give opportunity. And syempre, mabigyan ng exposure dito. Dahil yun naman talaga ang ating hiling dito, na mabigyan ng exposure yung mga manlalaro dito sa Bicolandia.
Yes, partner. So yun ang kagandahan nitong ating league. And again, for Team Viga, maganda kasi may papanoorin silang video, pwede nilang ma-scout kung ano man magiging adjustments nila coming into the next game, partner. So yun ang kagandahan nito. But again, kudos to Team San Andres for that grabing performance dito sa ating laro.
And Usero with the board. Tulo is ahead against Andrea. Using his body, misses the shot. Osorio again with the board. I guess, syempre, partner, maraming walang katapusang pasasalamat ang atin sa atin, syempre, ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, Congressman Jill Bungalon, katabang na, kasurog pa sa napakagandang liga na binigay sa atin dito sa Bicolandia. Dahil nabibigyan ng opportunity lahat ng mga players. Not only the players, but katulad natin, who would have thought na nandito tayo ngayon sa panel discussing things, discussing over basketball. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much po. Ako Bicol Party List.
Ayan na si Osero, step back three. No good. Rebound. Number 8, Talia, pero nabitawan ng bola. Cervantes. Shot clock is at 10. Panglao, jab step. Spin move. Tablada for 3. Air ball. Salvador is looking at the clock. And right now, partner, just waiting. We are just waiting sa ating final score and final buzzer.
Yes, partner.
Ayan na si Andrea, short jumper, no good.
Good performance on the part of Team San Andres on this game. So as a team, partner, grabe talaga yung linaro nito mga taga San Andres dito sa ating first game ng ating finals.
And this is a whopping 30-point lead. And I guess adjustments will be made sa ating second game for sure. Ayan na si Cervantes adding the scoring dito. And right now, we are seeing players shaking hands dahil alam na nila, I guess. And I guess it's safe to say, Game 1 is in the books.
Yes,
Viga versus San Andres. The winner of Game 1 is San Andres. And what effort on the part of Team San Andres. Naunahan nila itong Viga. And right now, what more can you ask? A well-contributed team dito. And syempre hats off din pagdating dito sa Viga squad. Dahil lumaban sila even though game 1 ay hindi sa kanila right now.
Again, congratulations to Team San Andres on winning the game 1. Again, partner, sabi nga natin hindi pa dito nagtatapos kasi may chance pa itong mga taga Viga to bounce back on the second game. So again, may mga adjustments siguro ito on the second game for sure. And again, congratulations to these two teams for being in the finals. So ayun na nga, maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng sumuporta at nanood itong game na ito. Sa lahat ng mga taga-Catanduanes at talaga partner, nagtyaga kasi alam mo, kanina nung pagpunta natin dito, nag-check kami as early as 2:30 to 3 o'clock, may mga tao nang naghihintay for the game.
Yes,
so kahit alam nila na 7 pa partner yung tip-off ng game, pero again talaga, sabi nga nila yung may mga nakausap ako, this is the first time na magkakaroon ng ganito kalaking liga dito sa Catanduanes. So again, maraming salamat po sa suporta.
Yes, maraming salamat talaga sa suporta na binibigay nyo sa aming liga, and talagang walang katapusan po sa salamat. And right now, we are just waiting sa ating kasunod best player of the ball games. Both teams are now huddling. I guess they're discussing things over. Tingnan natin kung ano maging flaws. And for sure, Viga will bounce back sa ating game 2.
Yes, partner. So, again, yung sabi ko nga doon sa pre-game, partner, magiging vital when it comes to rebounding, assists, and of course, the turnovers. So, medyo maganda talaga ang pinakita ng depensa ng mga taga San Andres. That's why, ganun kaagad ang naging resulta kahit opening frame pa lang, first, second quarter. As we can see, those highlights ng ating laro.
Yes, as early as first quarter talaga, well dominated itong laro ng San Andres, and I guess hindi na nakalamang itong Viga.
Yes, partner,
dito
talaga.
sa larong ito. And
so yung start, that is a 13-0 start on the part of team ng San Andres. Again, tapos medyo nagalo ng mini run itong mga taga Viga, but again, that is not enough, partner, para tuloy ang makahabol at makalamang dito sa mga taga San Andres. Because nga, sabi nga natin, yung napansin natin dito sa larong ito, nasa isang page lang itong mga players at coaches nitong team ng San Andres. Kahit sinong ipasok mo, talagang nagko-contribute dito sa naging game na ito, itong game 1 ng championship. So talaga yun ang naging story nitong larong ito.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. I guess, partner, as we take a look some highlights, and yun na nga, Tulod, bright spots pagdating dito sa Viga. Itong si Tulod and si Osero managing the scoring load pagdating dito, but medyo kinapos lang sila. And nagwagi sa ating matchup ang Tixon Brothers over Ubalde Brothers.
Yes, partner, and of course nagwagi din doon sa ating kasurog matchup itong si Tikboy de Rosario over doon kay Eugene Maliapre. But
Yes.
again, sabi nga natin, hindi pa tapos itong championship battle na ito. May mga chance pa ito mga teams for sure Viga, may chance pa ito para mag-bounce back dito sa ating championship series.
Yes, partner, as we take a look, the fans are right here sa ating court. Talagang nagpi-picture taking sila sa kanilang mga idols. And yun na nga, partner, game 1 is in the books. Ang game 1 napunta dito sa Team San Andres, a total team effort on the side of San Andres, and right now I guess Team Viga will bounce back for sure.
Yes, partner. Again, pasalamatan ko rin, partner, yung ating talagang mga sumuporta sa atin. Of course, kanina, partner, bago mag-start yung laro, pasalamatan natin yung Mikoy's Pizza Verac Branch for giving us Goliath Pizza kanina.
Parang di ko natikman, partner. Pero sabihin ko lang, may game 2 pa.
Game 2 pa.
Magbigay ulit yan.
Oo, so baka naman. Game 2 pa. So, but again, thank you po sa pagsuporta.
And syempre, ulitin ko, thank you. Maraming salamat sa ating commissioner, si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera. Nandito siya kanina.
Yes, partner.
Nanood at sumuporta sa ating liga. Syempre, si Boss Russell and ang hardworking men and women of IMBC. Magandang gabi sa inyo, Miss Russell, Boss RJ, Direct Christian, and staff and crew ng IMBC. Magandang gabi. Maraming salamat. And batiin ko ang aking family dyan sa bahay, Bachiller family, sa aking mother side, Ranyoso family. Magandang gabi sa inyo. And aking constituent sa Kawit East, Washington Drive. Magandang gabi sa inyo.
Magandang gabi po. And of course, I will take this opportunity also to greet And batiin ko ang aking family dyan sa Kamsur, Sepe family, of course, Loseño family, Bara family, ang aking dalawang daughters na si Hara at Hera, ang aking wife na nasa Abu Dhabi ngayon, Mara Sepe. Hello sa inyo lahat dyan. And of course, sa lahat po na sumusuporta and nanonood sa ating Ako Bicol. As early as kanina, mayroon tayong 8,000 plus. Doon pa lang sa live natin, partner.
8,800 to be exact.
Doon sa first quarter. Of course, sa lahat ng pumunta dito sa Virax Sports Complex, maraming salamat po. Sa hindi mga nakapasok, pasensya na po kayo. But again, sabi nga namin, ginawa namin ng paraan para may LED po dyan sa labas para makita nyo pa rin yung action dito sa loob. Again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta dito sa ating first game.
Yes, and tama ka dyan, this is just the first game. Meron tayong game 2 sa November 25, dito pa rin sa Virax Sports Complex. And Toti, punta na kayo dito sa game 2. And right now, well, we are waiting sa ating kasurog, best player of the ball game. Yan na, yung manakanakang puntos si James Obalde. And syempre batiin natin ang ating partner.
Yes, si
Kapa
Morgan.
Maraming salamat.
So makikita nyo po makikita nyo po yan at maririnig nyo ang boses si Kapa Morgan ng second game also. So andito rin siya. And of course, sa lahat talaga, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Yes, yun na nga, maraming salamat. Syempre, unending thanks sa atin dito sa pagsuporta sa aming liga. And right now, hintayin natin kung sino ang ating kasunod best player of the ball game. Marami tayong candidates with the likes of Dixon Brothers. At dyan ang usual suspects na si Tikboy and si Salvador.
Yes, Salvador.
I guess he's also a candidate.
Ronald Tagle, partner, nandyan din. And of course, si Julius Tiburcio, maganda din yung pinakita dito sa game na ito. So, titingnan natin kung sino talaga ang magiging kasurog player of the game dito sa ating finals. Game 1. Ako, Bicol Cup Catanduanes Finals. Rebansa sa Isla.
Yes, ito yung Rebansa sa Isla talaga. And what an opening sa ating championship series. Grabe yung ating halftime show with Viva Max artist si Acosta, talagang gracing our occasion. And right now meron tayong kasama na ng ating courtside reporter na si Miss Mabel, ang ating kasurog best player of the ball game. Miss Mabel, take it away.
Thank you, Coach John and Coach Paul. Eto na nga, hands down sa Team San Andres sa napakagandang laro. At kasama ko na nga ngayon ang kasurog player of the game na si Tikboy Del Rosario. Scoring 25 points, 9 rebounds, 6 assists, 4 steals, and 1 block. Tikboy, congratulations. Tanong ko lang, anong pakiramdam na isang panalo na lang ay maiuwi mo na ang kampyonato sa iyong probinsya?
Unang-unang sa lahat, gusto ko lang pasalamat kay Lord kasi binigay niya sa amin yung panalong to. So yun, isang panalo na lang, makukuha na namin yung championship. So kailangan muna namin pagtrabahuan, kailangan namin mag-ensayo, kailangan namin mag-move on sa nangyari ngayon. Focus kami sa game 2 at pagplanuhan namin sa ensayo namin.
Bilang kasurog player, ano pa ang may papayo mo sa iyong team para makamit nyo na ang panalo?
So mapapayo ko lang sa kanila is kailangan namin magtrabaho sa practice and mag-adjust. And yung teammates ko naman, alam ko, malaki yung may tutulong nila kasi hindi naman lang para sa akin dahil ito sa kanila. So, sabi ko nga, tulong-tulong lang kami sa loob ng court kasi yun naman yung magpapanalo sa amin.
Coach John and Coach Paul, baka may tanong kayo sa ating kasurog player of the game. Go ahead.
Yes, congratulations Tikboy for being the kasurog best player of the ball game. Tikboy, coming sa game 2, ano ang magiging mindset nyo para makuha nyo na ang first ever Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes Championship?
Sa game 2 is kung anong ginawa namin ngayon, pag dadagdagan lang namin para yun nga makuha na namin to sa game 2 para matapos ng series na to.
Yes, again, Tick Boy, congratulations on the game. But again, ito lang yung tatanungin ko. Wag mo muna sa game 2. Ano yung naging mindset nyo talaga coming into this game? Because during that first quarter, that 0-13 run na nangyari, talaga napakaganda. And lahat ng bunutin na players talaga nagko-contribute sa team nyo. Paano kayo nag-prepare and ano talaga yung naging mindset ng team?
Yun nga, simula pa coach nung semis namin, ni-remind ko lang sa kanila na kailangan namin trumabaho sa depensa kasi yun naman yung magpapanalo sa amin. And kailangan lang namin mag-adjust sa ensayo. During game, kailangan namin mag-adjust kung ano yung mga lapses namin. Lalo na nung second half, kasi yung first half, bumaba yung lamang namin. So sabi ko sa kanila, hindi pa tapos yung laban, kailangan namin pagtrabahuan yung depensa ulit para patuloy namin makuha yung panalo.
Yes, congratulations on the total team effort. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, baka may gusto kang batiin o pasalamatan, especially yung mga supporters mong nanonood sa'yo ngayon. Go ahead.
Binabati ko yung wife ko, si Maggie, yung mga anak ko, si Aja, si Atina, si Gianna, at saka yung father and mother-in-law ko, at saka yung family nila, at saka yung lahat ng mga taga San Andres na sumusuporta sa amin. Para sa inyo yung panalong to. At si Joe Aldabe na wala dito, yung suporta niya sa amin is nandun. Yung coach ko nung college, si Coach George Salter Verses, yung asawa niya si Ate Maika, at saka yung mga anak niya. At saka yung ACC community na maglalaro sa Bukal Finals, juniors at seniors. Good luck sa kanila. Albay Basketball Community, San Andres Basketball Community, at saka yung Coach T Skills Academy at si Coach Dennis Loria.
Yan, thank you and congratulations. At dyan na nga mga kasurog, nagtatapos ang Game 1 ng ating Rebansa sa Isla Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes Finals. Abangan natin sa Game 2 kung ang Team San Andres na ang itatanghal nating first ever Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes Champions o babawi ang Team Viga. Kaya abangan natin yan sa aming Facebook pages, sa page ni Rep Saldico ng Ako Bicol Party List at ng Ako Bicol Online TV. Follow and subscribe din sa aming YouTube and TikTok account at Ako Bicol Cup for more updates. Again, this is Maybal Atchogoyen, your Ako Bicol Cup courtside reporter. Good night mga kasurog.